Guys, good morning guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing morning. I just woke up, so my morning is just starting off, but good morning guys, good morning. Now, before I get into live trading, I kind of want to make some things I just because yesterday's stream wasn't the most set up. Let me be honest with you guys. So I wasn't really able to catch any trades with you guys, but I was able to catch a 120 point trade over with the premium. So here, let me show you guys the alert because I really wanted to show you guys, but I wasn't able to catch it live with you guys, which kind of takes away from my work and showing it over to the public, right? And which is why I do these streams, so you guys can see how we work in the premium. So guys, for those that don't know or aren't in the server and didn't see the daily recap, guys, yesterday we ended up catching NQ longs at 492, right, just like this, and we ended up sniping this trade for about 120 points, just like that. We ended up catching this in about like an hour. Yeah, like an hour into the market. That was when the trade was done, and then we called it a day pretty quick. Hopefully that's the case today, so you guys can catch it with me. And we have a quick day to ourselves, so we can go ahead and do whatever we want in our life, for the remainder of the day. But yeah, guys, that's kind of why I wanted to start the stream a little bit earlier, just so I can show you guys exactly the work that we did yesterday, and just so you guys can see it. Right, but anyways, let me go ahead and start up the live trading here for the premium and get to trading. Alright guys, because I'm already seeing some setups here that we can possibly work with. But let's see what we can cook up here. Let me see. So starting up the live trading. Join up. Bet. I got a little bit of water next to me, so I might have to refill soon. But yeah. All right. Let me see. All right. Now I have no water. But let's see what we can cook up here. Let me see. Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. What's up? Alright, guys. So here, let me go ahead and check out my YouTube real quick before I get into the game plan. First of all, let me screen share the charts real quick. But okay, guys. Today we're in a weird spot, and I'm gonna explain why. Okay. So let me make this over. There we go. And put this over in this chat as well. Let me see. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, there you go. Alright, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Alright, so guys, here's why I'm gonna say that today 900 already, bro. I saw some people caught the sell off, guys. Good stuff, really good stuff. But what's up? Hey, good morning, guys. Okay, so here's why I think the market looks good, but I don't know yet. You guys usually know when I start the lives, I kind of have a bias. I kind of already know what to look for. But today, I don't know. Okay, here, look. So, coming into market open, right? Or let's speak yesterday. Let's go back a day, right? Usually, you guys know that we usually, when the market opens, we have London highs, London lows, Asia lows, or some drawn liquidity to work with. Now, the case for today is yesterday we had a pretty bullish trend. I mean, the market went up about 200, 300 points, right? It was really, really good. We can't lie here. It was pretty good. But the thing is when you have days where the market only goes up with very, very little pullbacks, or maybe even no pullbacks sometimes, it makes it really hard for the next day for you to be able to get a reading in the market. And here's what I mean. Yesterday, we created a very nice level of liquidity right off open at 432. Right, let me make sure we created for about, 432, right? Very, very nice level. We gotta admit that, right? The thing is ever since we created this level, we've only gone up and up and up with very little pullbacks to the point where these pullbacks are not going to be enough to take out liquidity and, move the market like that, right? So coming into this market open, when obviously the trend looks pretty bearish. I mean, we've been creating lower highs and lower lows pretty often, right? But the problem is here is we don't really have much to target to the downside other than 432. Now, I'm not saying we can't really take a trade here. We could. The thing is that we would have to have very, very high expectations. Very high expectations, right? So, for example, right now, it was pretty much, in my opinion, probably the best time to start the live trading because right here we're working with a very nice Ferrari gap, which is what you guys took, right? You guys took a lot of shorts into this selling candle, and it was really, really nice, and the good stuff, right? You guys made your money, right? But in this case, here's what we're working with. So obviously we know that the bias is leaning more towards bearish to go ahead and take our liquidity to the downside that we created yesterday. The thing is, yesterday we didn't really create that much liquidity at all. The only one that we can really work with here that's major is a 432 liquidity, which if you zoom out is pretty much the New York low, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yep, pretty much the New York low that we ended up sweeping over here, right? Now, what we could do here is if sellers look really strong here, right? If they can really pick up here, what we could do here is we can go ahead, since we already know that the bias is bearish and we don't have too much to target to the upside, right? And it seems like sellers want to make this go lower. What we could possibly look into is to take a very light position just to try this out, because the confidence behind this trade, if I like the way I'm saying it, it's not the highest, right? But it's definitely not the lowest. So what we can really work with here is, like I said, we're gonna size, if this ends up playing out, right, we're gonna look to size extremely light to the point where if it goes against us, because it really could go against us, right? Since it's not like there's not too much confirmation behind this trade, it won't really affect our accounts, right? Our funded accounts, right? So we're gonna look to size light if this trade ends up playing out. But here's what I'm looking for. So now that we know that the bias is bearish and sellers are pretty active right off open, what we could do is we can go ahead and use this gap, this imbalance right here as a fair value gap, right? So if you guys measure this candle, it's obviously a very nice fair value gap. It's about 70 points, right? 72, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, 70, right? A 70-point candle, amazing, right? Let me see. What about the 585 level at 1235? 530. Wait, what was it? 585. We already took out 585. Well, there's nothing here. This is not like you would expect this to be some sort of liquidity, but if you go on the higher time frame, there's nothing there. You see what I'm saying? There's not much to work with here, like nothing at all. So I don't know how you want to go about this. I just personally don't like anything here that could possibly sweep. Now I would like 480, 432 a lot more because it just makes a lot more sense, right? Just for your info, MQ bounced off yesterday's 1 hour fair value gap. Well, yeah, it's bouncing off of it right now, but we're still making up. Remember, we're like 20 minutes into the market. We're still kind of, develop a bias here. Keep that in mind. So right now, I'm not saying that I have a trade for you guys yet, but I'm trying to like develop something, right? So I'm gonna keep a good eye on this, right? And I'm gonna maybe consider an entry. I really doubt I get an entry here, but I'm going to look to see if we can manage to get a very strong rejection off of this 5-minute fair value gap, right? Depending if we do, depending if we don't, well, mainly depending if we do, I'm going to see if we can enter very light to try to, some shorts out, maybe some shorts, right? But remember, if we do take this, it would have to be it would have to be really light, because the thing is, the confirmation behind this trade, they're not really there, right? We know that the market might want to go lower, but we don't. First of all, we don't have a very clear bias. We don't have a sweep. We don't have DOL. We don't have much to really work with here. All we have is a bearish bias, a fair value gap, and DOL below that. It's really far away. It's 150 points away, 165 points away, right? So what are the chances the market just completely sells off into that? You know what I mean? So it's a risky one, but if we size really light and we get the confirmations behind this that are really good, we could probably make this work, right? So let me go ahead and type this up real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Now this is why sometimes I don't like when days are extremely bullish, because then we have to deal with stuff like this, right? And it doesn't seem like sellers can really step into this fair value gap. So I guess this idea might get scratched out. But we'll see. As long as we hold inside of it, you never know. You really do. Let me see. The thing is, it's just the price targets that I just, don't like too much. Right? Because then we have a PT at, okay, look. If we were to take this, we have a PT at 20,542.75. And we also have one at 20,432.25. And then if we were to take this, for example, let's say that we take a short position right here. We would look to enter for like 25 points. So like maybe... That's the thing, like, I just don't see, like, I like the setup, but I just don't like it enough to really take it. Like, I'm not confident in it, you know what I mean? And of course, I don't want to give you guys something I'm not confident in, because, that's the whole point why you guys are here, to get the ideas that are good, But if we can't really trade anything off of this fair value gap, the problem with this, guys, and I know you guys don't want to hear this, is if we can't trade anything off this, we can't do anything practically all day until we take out 432. Right, because like I said, guys, we don't have any liquidity to really read in the market. That's the problem. And well, wow, That price action was really really ugly right there. But yeah, do you guys get what I'm saying here? Like, let me see. How many units are you gonna do? I don't know. I mean, I don't even know if I want to take this trade. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's kind of more of an idea for now. If we get a really strong rejection, I'll probably just enter like impulsively. But for now, I mean, obviously it's not even holding. So I guess kind of scrap this idea for now. Let me see. Let's call it cash. No, not yet. I wouldn't call it cash yet because the market just opened. You never know what can happen. But the thing is something that you guys really wouldn't want to hear sometimes or most times is this is an A plus setup. Hell no, it's not. No, 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 no. Not in my eyes, bro. Not in my eyes. I think longs off an inverse is a good idea. The thing is, what is there to inverse? We don't have the confirmation to inverse. You know what I mean? We haven't taken out any liquidity. The only liquidity that we really have is all the way down here at 432. This is yesterday's liquidity. There's no, yeah, exactly. There's no sweep. There's no MSS. There's nothing. So thanks to yesterday's weird price action, although it was good, we managed to get a really good trade, a really good scalp, and all that stuff. Although it was good, it's not good for today because the pump up that we got yesterday really didn't match with the drawn liquidity for today. So we have nothing to really read. That's the problem. Asia and low have been swept. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. Look, no, I'm not in shorts, guys. I'm not in anything. I was just putting out ideas. But regardless, it's never going to play out. So look, guys, I know, yes, Asia and London kind of got swept, but they didn't even get swept. That's the thing, because these are not levels of liquidity. These are not that strong. That's the only problem here. Right, so like I said, I'm going to give the market a bit more time, maybe like an hour or so, to see if it can develop something. If not, I'm going to see what we could do. Because right now, I can't really get a reading. Like, yeah, inversing this would be amazing. The reason I haven't taken it, guys, is mainly because we haven't swept, we haven't done anything for me to believe why the market is, like, the structure is shifting, right? It's really hard to read. So anything that happens here, I can't really take it, I won't want to take it, right? Swept 587. The thing is, guys, there's no liquidity at 587. There's nothing here. Look at this. It's just chop. There's nothing here. Sorry, can you show which levels you don't consider liquidity? Well, I don't have any that I don't consider liquidity marked out. Like these right here, I would not, because I mean, it's chopped. There's nothing here. There's no big orders lying in this shop. That's why the market is shopping in the first place. Now, where there's a big order is this right here at 432, which is what I'm looking at. 432. There is a nice sweep off of Asia there. We have just everything lying at 432. The problem is the price is sitting at 600. What about the 15-minute FEG? Guys, the thing is, with the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 30, it could be the best fair value gap in the world. We won't know what to take off of it because we don't have a reading in the market. We don't have the confirmations behind it. It's not about the fair value gap. It's about the confirmations. You guys need to understand that. The market, we're in a spot where there's no liquidity nearby. So it's going to be really, really hard to read what we could do in the market. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Because of yesterday's, why didn't we not? Oh my God. Bro, guys. I've repeated it a million times. There's just nothing to read here. Like, I can't get a good reading. I don't know what the market wants to do. Bro. Yeah, it's going to be the hard part, guys. It's going to be explaining to you guys why I can't, why we can't really do much right here in the market, because there's nothing to work with. We got to give the market some time to create liquidity and all that stuff. Maybe we can invest this new FGG, but since we already, I mean, it's hard, bro. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. And I like I said, I already know this is not what you guys want to hear coming into into open. You guys are waiting for trades and all that stuff, but we're in a bad spot here because of yesterday. Yesterday it just created no liquidity. Like, if you guys go on the higher time frame, look at this, guys. Yesterday's price action. What is there here to mark out where you think there's big orders lying in the market? Nothing, right? The only big order that we have here is where banks stepped in after the liquidity sweep up from Asia right here at 432. The only problem is we're sitting at 630, so we have to sell off literally 200 points to get this drawn liquidity sweep. What you said about going long at 72? I never said anything about going long, like, at all. I haven't even mentioned longs today. Oh no, KP, it goes up. As more people join, it just keeps going up. It's like automated. But yeah, guys, right here, the only choice we really have to do to kind of have right here, guys, is we just gotta give the market time to form something. Maybe it forms a really bullish bias, maybe, and maybe it creates liquidity like at 542. I mean, we don't know. We're like I said, guys. This rarely happens, but when it does, it's really hard to really work around. You know. But I'm gonna try here, guys. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys something. If not, of course, I'm not gonna force something out so you guys possibly go red. I'm gonna make sure that you guys get the best of the best. But obviously, not every day an opportunity is gonna show up. You guys know that. So I'm gonna try my best here. I'm gonna give the market time, but we'll see what we can do here. Now, a lot of you guys are mentioning ES, so let's see what ES has. Um, Now ES does look like it has more liquidity to the upside other than NQ. NQ has liquidity. I mean, yeah, you can probably mark this one out here, and these mini ones over here. Um, Only thing is, we just don't know what the bias is in the market yet. So that's why I'm telling you guys, let's kind of just wait for the market to form something like a bias or a drawn liquidity, and then we can work off of that. Because right now, it hasn't even been 30 minutes. Oh, it just marked 30 minutes into the market. The market is still kind of like warming up. It's waking up. People are buying. The bias is forming. So we're just kind of waiting on that. All right. We're just kind of waiting on that. But yeah, once the bias is more clear, like we know what direction has more control over which direction, we could possibly be able to trade something. Now, obviously, ES has a better SMT here. In my eyes, ES looks a lot stronger than NQ for today, or for now at least. And I'm more than positive that this right here is a fair value gap. So maybe we can get a bias off of this. Let me see. It should be 9 points. Yep. I would say yeah, it's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give the market like maybe like 30 minutes with you guys, 30ish minutes or so to see what bias forms. The price action looks pretty clean. I can't lie. But we need more of a bias here. We need more of a reading. So yeah. In the meantime, I'll probably just catch up with you guys, answer some questions, while we wait for a setup to form, and then once we see something, if we see something, we can go ahead and take it and go from there. Yeah, yeah. Let me see. Liquidity. Long on. What do you think? Longs at 712. I don't see. I don't know what you see at 712, bro. Can we copy trade 25k and 50k? I think you can. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. As long as you do the how many people are looking at longs? Honestly, I would like longs a bit more. I mean, obviously buyers are stepping in pretty nice here. It's just we don't have enough to really determine what, like, you know what I mean? Thoughts on Top Step? It's a pretty good firm. It's a really good firm. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? What's good? Uh, I took longs as a fair value gap. Off this one? Off the inverse? Thoughts on take profit? Take profit. I've rarely heard of take profit. Like I that's not a firm that you really hear in the space. Let's see, 9 a.m. for value gap. If we can inverse that for longs. Hmm. It's not. It doesn't look bad. Don't get me wrong. But here's the problem with that, Kevin. We have liquidity here at that same exact fair value gap. You have liquidity right here, right? So what could happen is we can inverse it, yeah, but there could be like a false signal where we sweep 673 and we go back down. I mean, it's possible. It's a big possibility, but it's a risky one. Definitely a risky one. You could take it, but it's risky. Now, guys, hold on. I'm gonna go help my dad with something, cause he needs, like picking something up from the truck. So give me like literally two minutes. Hopefully it's 2 minutes. I'll be back, guys. Give me a second. Stay here. Stay here. Hold on. I'm back. Alright, what are we doing? Okay, so far buyers seem like they they kind of have something to work with here. Now I'm gonna the thing is we could probably work something around 673. We really could, but this level isn't anything major, you know. Hey, what is my yes chart like? I mean, bro, just zoom in a little bit. You're too zoomed out. That's why. Zoom in and you'll be fine. But yeah, so far buyers look really nice. Really nice. So let's see what we can work with here. 760 for the day. Oh yeah, no, bro, call it, man. Good shit, by the way. Should have took this. Hey, bro, should have, would have, could have. Guys, you guys are looking hindsight. What was your reasoning for not entering the long? Guys, there is no reading in the market. There is no drawn liquidity. There was nothing that I could really look for that made my bias bullish. You guys, obviously, you guys are looking at hindsight when the market already played out. When we were looking at it in real time, the price was a little iffy, you know. So, like I said, I'm still kind of waiting for more of a reading here in the market. Once we get a reading, then I'll be able to give you guys something. But for now, I kind of don't know what the market wants to do. That's what I've been trying to tell you guys all morning. So when copy trading, if you put 2 or more for one account, do you do the same if you want to do 10 per account? You just multiply it. So you do the amount of contracts, X amount of accounts you have, and then you'll be good with that. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Took that trade for a long size, made a light 3640. Bro, good shit, good shit. If you guys are in longs, which I don't know if you guys took it off this inverse, you guys could target 673. That's a pretty good price target if you guys are in longs. Yeah, I am. Yeah, okay, yeah. Then target this one. Remember, we are inside of this fair value gap right now. Yeah, we are. We're inside of this fair value gap, so we can get a little pullback here. But you guys could target 673 if you guys are in longs. I'm gonna try to see if I can work off something here because the price action today looks extremely clean. I really like it. Now, I wish we could have had a really strong liquidity around this range because I would have 100% taken longs off of this inverse. Don't get me wrong, right? The thing is I didn't know where the market was going to reverse, and I didn't know what the bias was in the market to pretty much get a reading here. That's why I didn't take longs, guys. There's no DOL here. You guys know my motto. We need DOL. We need a sweep to take that inverse and everything. Thing is, we have chop here, and then we reverse out of nowhere. So I couldn't really catch this. You know what I mean? So I'm still waiting on something to form here. Now, ES on the other hand, in my opinion, ES looks a little bit stronger than NQ does. Let's look at the 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, nothing to work with yet. Hopefully something forms. I mean, the price action today looks really good. I think it's funny how some people want David to make a decision for them, and if it fails, they hang. I don't even I don't get pressured by that. I don't really care. Sometimes you have to grow as a person to not care. Can you explain why ES looks stronger? Just more price action into the push up here. Like if you compare the push up here compared to this one, you see what I mean? There's a lot more buyers, like a lot more. You see what I mean? Like there's buyers here. Don't get me wrong, but if you compare it to here, it looks like there's a lot more on ES. So it doesn't really mean much. You could use it as an indicator to see what you could target and stuff. But it's just nice to know the S&P there. What's the best way to explain a sweep? Hey, bro, going into my YouTube, and it's going to be the DOL video. Hey, thank you, bro. What the heck? My young brother's a fan of you? Bro, thank you, bro. I mean, I'm not anyone that special, bro, but thank you, bro. It means a lot. I made 540. I'm done. Yeah, bro. Good shit, bro. Call it. Call it for sure. But yeah, guys, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and wait to see a reaction off of 673. Depending on what we do here, I might be able to give you guys a trade. I might be able to give you guys a trade here. Like, big chance. No, not big chance. Like, it's like a 50-50. Because, guys, we haven't seen price action this clear in a while. But the one time we get clear price action, we don't have any readings behind it. That's the problem. Like, greedy. Bro, no. Bro, call it. Please call it. Please call it. If you made 1K, bro, that's more than enough for today, bro. Do not look for more, especially when the market's not even giving us anything. I'm here struggling to find a setup for you guys. Bro, don't just call it, bro. Just call it. Just call it, bro. Calling it, yeah, bro. If you guys made your money already, guys, please call it. Please do yourself a favor and call it. Go enjoy your day. I'll be here taking care of the rest. Don't worry. If we get through the 70 area, we might see higher. Yeah, we could. We could see higher into 7. I would want to see 760s by the end of the morning. But oh, you know why price is probably moving so good? It's because we had earnings yesterday. That's right. It's probably the aftermath, like the reaction. Because if we open up AMD right now, if we open up AMD here, I'm sure AMD is moving like. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, yeah, no, AMD is not even moving at all. Okay, ignore that. Ignore that. Yeah, no, there's earnings today and tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's gonna be the biggest one. We have Amazon and Apple on the same day. That is huge. Those are one of the two biggest stocks in the stock market. But yeah. But no, AMD is pretty dead. It's really dead. Matter of fact. So let's kind of ignore that. You said Google had big ones. Let me see. Google also dead. You know, it's kind of like whatever. But okay, guys, we took out 673 here on NQ. Now, if we manage to start seeing a lot more sellers stepping in, we could have a hint on the idea on what we will want to see here in the market, right? Because right here, like I said, this level, this 673 level, it doesn't seem so strong yet until we see a reaction, right? So if we get the reaction that we want to see, which is a nice sweep, we can get a really easy reading and trade into 542. That's a big if, right? So if we start seeing some selling coming in, maybe we could take something off of this right here. Thing is, I would probably take it off of this. Like, it looks good, but I don't know. I want to give the market a bit more time to kind of see the like what it wants to do here. Let's see if it struggles around this 673. So you guys will know if price struggles around this small drawn liquidity right here at 673. We can probably work off something for shorts. It's a big if though. We gotta wait because right now obviously buyers are in complete control, so we don't know how they're gonna react off this level. Now, if we get the reaction that we want to see, we should be good for some shorts. But regardless, guys, I'm gonna be sizing extremely light today. If I take anything. Price action today is really good. Don't get me wrong. It's extremely good. Like it hasn't been this clear in a while. Thing is like I said, when it's clear, man, it's you know, we don't get a reading. How light is really light? Like maybe 5 micros for me. You guys know I usually size 10, so you know you can do the math on that. Just size something that you don't care about losing. It's not a certain number. But it's not out yet, bro. It's not out. Just because there's movement doesn't mean there's trades. Exactly. Well, there were trades. It's just, you know, you could have taken this inverse. It was beautiful, but just not something I would have taken. You think yes will hit 886? 886. It doesn't look bad. I mean, there's some mini levels here that are probably gonna stop it down, but I can't really I don't know, because now NQ is taking out liquidity, which could really move ES down with an SMT flip there. I'll see. I'll let you know in a second. I kind of want to, like I said, I'm waiting on to see a reaction off of 673. If we can manage to get a reaction off of that, we could probably work off something here. But we'll see. It all comes down to this. And I would say that we're going to do PM session today, but guys, we have earnings today, so, you know, price might be good now, but going into lunch hour, it's probably going to slow down a lot like yesterday, because yesterday we had earnings, today we have earnings, and tomorrow we have earnings. With discount, but elections coming up. Oh boy, I'm excited to pick up the direction, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm excited too. How many days are we away from it? We're about 6 days away. Is it? Oh, it's next week, guys. That's right. Election day is next week, Tuesday. I thought it was next week. Damn, bro, time flies, bro. So we're already on Wednesday. What settings do you have on Forex Factory? Just turn everything off on but red folders. Are changing, bro, 100%, bro. If anything, bro, I'll do it, bro. Okay, let me not get ahead of myself. Yes, I'll be trading the whole entire election. I was about to say, bro, I'll even do a 24-hour stream if I have to, but I won't do that. Buying Trump, nah, guys. I scrapped the Bitcoin, the meme coin idea, bro. Everything is a rug pull. I'd rather not. Fuck that. Bro, I did my research like every night. I'm like, okay, maybe this one. Nope. Everything is a rug pull. I mean, well, obviously it you know, with anyone having the power to have millions into their own coin, you know, they're probably gonna abuse it, right? So I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. And the ones that are good, they're already like overbought. They're like at like what, like a few cents already, a few pennies. I'd rather not, guys. It's a huge rug pull. I mean, bro, someone turned $100 in here into like what, like 1.5k, and they can't even sell it. So no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. As you voting? Yep, I already did. I already did, bro. Don't use it. You know. Oh yeah, yeah. I saw it. I saw it, bro. You know what? You know how draining that is? 24/7 for 30 days straight of just being watched by camera. Ah, I'd rather not, bro. Shit, bro. Sometimes the live trading for 2 hours gets me like mentally exhausted. Imagine 30 days. Wow, bro, guys. I was about to say that you should do it for trading, bro. Like if I do it, oh my, someone had to pay me a big amount for me to do it. I'm sorry. It's imagine guys trading 24/7, sleeping with the charts, everything 24/7 for 30 days. I would actually cry. I would cry myself to sleep. Like you would have to pay me like I would say maybe shit. Like that's something that's like draining. Like I would want a lot. Like a lot. Like maybe like 50k. For something that big, I would have to do 50k. And I know it sounds like crazy, like a crazy number, but guys, my mind over everything, bro. Fuck the money, bro. Yeah, exactly. That'll be mental torture, bro. Sometimes with you guys, 2 hours is like mentally draining. Imagine 30 days without stopping. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, what happens if Trump wins? Will make a lot of more money, or will the setup be the same for you? Okay, if Trump wins, you guys already know Trump is a businessman. With businessman being businessman, you know he's gonna more than likely make the economy a lot better, stop wars, you know the peace what is it, the peace act thing? Yeah, peace. So yeah, the setups will be a lot better. There's gonna be a lot more investors because obviously people, long term people like Trump for being good with companies. You know what I mean? Like he's a businessman. Like for you know he's a businessman. So obviously people are gonna be investing into long term into the market, a lot more money, a lot more everything into the market, right? And that's not even the stock market. It's gonna be real estate. It's gonna be everything. I mean, it's kind of just gonna like fix everything in the U.S. So yes, it will. Yeah, gas will be cheaper. Inflation will go down. Everything will. It's just like There's no. Is there? I don't even know if there's even cons to this. You know what I mean? So, for real? Because guys, when I was trading when Trump was in office, bro, you guys don't understand. The markets were it's like the markets looked like this just the whole day every day. It's just up, 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 up. Yeah, doesn't he have what's it called? It starts with what's this what's this thing called? I forgot. Bro, Rickster, bro. But guys, okay, okay, hear me out, guys. Do you guys see how we're struggling? Like how I said, I didn't know like what we're gonna do off of 673 because the level seems a little bit small here, right? It's like a whatever level. But do you guys see how price? It was really good, right? Really really good, and then it starts slowing down and getting weaker right here. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Right? I'm not saying I told you guys so because obviously I didn't really say anything. I just said guys we could do something here, but we could probably get a trade off of this sweep if we end up getting it. Right? We need a lot more sellers to step in because look, if we get a sweep off of this fair value gap right here and we get a sweep off of this drawn liquidity right here, right? And we start seeing selling, we could possibly try to inverse this. Okay, there's three things. We can inverse this one, we can inverse this one, or we can create a bearish value gap and target it into 542. You get what I'm saying? So it's a big thing that we could do here, but we need more time into the market. We need more time, and once we get that time, you get like guys. Today it's all about patience and discipline. I used to do Twitch and would do 24-hour streams. It was painful, bro. I could just imagine, bro. I could just imagine. I mean, I'll probably be down for one 24-hour stream, but how would that even work? Because I don't even trade Asia nor London, nor will I ever do it. I will never put my money in those sessions. So I would just be here, just on the screen, doing nothing. You know? Unless I do like a sleep stream. I don't know. 100 points pips from the bottom. Amazing, amazing. Right now we could have taken this inverse. Like it's a would have, could have, should have type of situation. But you know, it's follow up on the post or something. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? What do you mean? Is ES trying to make liquidity from London High? Yeah. No, we're gonna see 886 on ES. We have room into 886. This is the one level I'm looking for. If you go on the high time frame, you'll see what I mean. Right here, 886, big level right here, big level. So if we take out 886, we could probably work around something. But yeah, no, NQ is still sitting around this level. Now, if we break above it, then you know, there goes the idea, you know. But it's all about patience. Because like I said, I would say NQ has a bit more room for higher until ES takes out 886. That's the level right there. But yeah. How do you chart those levels? It's just drawing liquidity. It's pretty simple. You just mark out the highs and lows and stuff before the massive sell-off. Voting Tuesday. I might have to go vote today. I don't think I've done it. I registered, but haven't done it yet. So far, price is still struggling around this DOL. Isn't London good? Hindsight, yeah, but you know, it's like it's decent, but it's not good enough for me to stay up to 3 in the morning trying to catch a trade. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather sleep. You know. You've already bro Trump, bro. You already know. So you guys, hey, bro, take it easy, Domino, bro. Take it easy, my man. So John liquidity is just high and low from previous sessions. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot more to it, but yeah, that's the idea. You know, that's the idea. So are we still looking for fair value to take shorts? We're waiting. We're waiting for more of a reading here. We're waiting for more of a reading here, bro. So I can't really tell you if we're looking for longs or shorts yet, but you know the idea is forming. The idea is definitely forming. We've been in the bull market since 2022. Have we? It feels a lot shorter. Well, we definitely are at all-time highs. Yeah, you can't really argue with that. This is 2020. Well, to be fair, bro, once 2022 struck, I mean, this is the pandemic. This is like overbought, right? 2022 struck, we sold off into lows, and then obviously now we're kind of in a bull market. Yeah, long term, but yeah. But yeah, no, buyers are still trying to step in, you guys. So like I said, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for something. Oscar, have you taken anything? No, he hasn't. He's still waiting for something too. I guess he's not saying anything either. David, if we get the signal, what fair value gap are you looking to inverse? Right now, I don't know. I'm debating. Like this one isn't like the best one, but if we get the signal and everything lines up perfectly, this one won't be too bad to take. If not, you can always resort to this one, which is super low down, like down low. But it's still 37 points. So if you're gonna take this one, you might as well just take this one as well, because this one is the same thing. Yep, 37.50, the same exact candle. Safe trading. I'm off for one profit. Hey, bro. Yeah, no, call it, bro. Call it. Controlled by directly. Yeah, we know that. We know that. Yeah, J Powell and FOMC and you know all that stuff. Yep. And the thing is, I'm like dying to say, guys, like, oh, you know, like maybe we could just give the AM session a bit more time to form and we come back PM. But I don't know if I want to do PM either, guys. You know, we have earnings. We have earnings as well. So today is a whole shit show in general, with the markets. But the good thing about this is if we go into tomorrow, I'm not saying we're gonna call it a day, guys. You know, don't, you know. But let's say for example we call it a day and come back tomorrow. For tomorrow, we have a lot more to work with here, right? We actually have drawn liquidity here. We're probably gonna form some more here, and you know stuff like that, right? So we're pretty good for tomorrow. That's a fact. That's a fact. Now for today, on the other hand, we're still waiting on something. We're still waiting to see if we can form something here. But nothing here is really catching my eye. That's telling me like, hey, take this, you know. I don't mind staying cash. I mean, I'm sure we all don't. If you do mind, I mean, you guys kind of have to deal with it. You know what I mean? It's either that or you lose money trying to force out a trade. Bro, of course, Banks. I got you, bro. I got you. Good stuff to you, man. Bro, Leo. Why do you like Apex more than my funded futures? I've never tried my own funded futures, but guys, I don't have a reason to switch off of Apex. I make my money off Apex. I don't get my payouts tonight. Like sure, there could be better prop firms out there. It's all on preference, but I'm not gonna switch just cause people tell me to. I don't really give a shit. I make my money off Apex. I'm good on Apex. If you guys use MFF and it's great, yeah, use it. There's nothing wrong with that. But for me, I'm not gonna switch for something that's good for me, right? It's just it's more preference. Like if you guys like the rules or you don't, you just switch. But guys, what is this market, man? We're probably gonna start like consolidating here. I got a Coinbase account. I lost. Oof, but no, that's probably like maybe $2,000. Okay, blasters. Oh, this is a good one. Are you planning on opening a business at a different address and trading another 20 PAs? Because I'm already working on that. Now, would I do that right now? Well, my answer to that is would I do it? Yes. Would I do it right now? No. I'm not even on 20 accounts on my main account. I'm on 10. So, you know what it is to switch over from 10 to 40 accounts? That's gonna be very, very like mentally draining, like really hard, really, really hard. Like I'm gonna be very, very emotional. It's just button clicking. Well, easier said than done. For me at least, when you size up, it's definitely like you feel it. You know that you're copy trading 40 accounts. You know what I mean? Like the pressure is there. It's definitely there. Even with 10 accounts, I still feel the pressure. It could be just me. Maybe you guys are different. Maybe you guys don't give a shit. But yeah, they've been catching people for real. I haven't heard anything on that on the catching people. Well, I'm not really too updated with prop firm news. I don't really check up on that. Why don't you trade with 20? I'm slowly easing into it. I might switch on to 15 soon. Um, but yeah. What do you guys use for copy trading? I use Tradeovate. Yeah, they get data from Tradeovate and compare the entries and exits. Oh damn, 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 damn. Well, realistically, if they're just getting data from that, why don't you just enter 20 on one computer and you just like 2 seconds later you just get a later entry and I don't know. I'm sure there's workarounds from that. How many accounts are you allowed to have? 20. But technically you could do 40 because if you use your personal account and then use an LLC account, those are two different accounts, but you're the same person trading it. So technically you could do 40, but what's allowed is 20. Oh, the IP address. Yep, yep. That they definitely do track IP. Let me tell you. Cause I don't know if you no I never told you guys this. My brother and I we used to trade in the same room, like a long time ago, and I requested a payout, and Apex told me they're like, hey, we're detecting multiple users under the same household, cause they have this really stupid rule where only one person in one house can trade. So if you guys have a brother or sister or son or mom or whatever, you guys, according to them, there can only be one person that can trade per house. That is the stupidest thing ever. Yeah, I don't know if you guys knew that, but I got in trouble for my brother and I trading because we would take the same trades. Obviously, I kind of knew more what I was doing than he was. He was just following along. But this was a long time ago. But if they detect the same IP address and the same billing address, apparently, they have the right to deny it for some reason. It's really, really stupid. Well, yeah, it's more to stop people from doing multiple like accounts, like the copy trading. Yeah, exactly. So I do see why they're doing that, but at the same time, like come on, So did he get refunded? No, I'm like, oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry, and they allowed it, but it was they let me off with a warning. They're like, hey, you can't you really can't do this. You know that, right? I'm like, yeah, I didn't know. and all that stuff. And my excuse to that was that I'm like, oh no, he's just staying here because he's moving out, and the IP is the same, but he's gonna change soon. They're like, okay, well, if he continues to trade, we're gonna have to deny it and probably close your account because it's not allowed. So yeah, can't even trade 10 accounts. Nope, it has to be one account only, guys. Apparently, according to them, I got in trouble for it. It was really dumb. So you guys have to be careful with that because some people in here, maybe you guys have a son that you guys are trading with, maybe you guys are trading with your mom, your dad, who knows, So be careful with that. Make sure that you guys are probably trading in different locations, so they don't track the IP. Because I'm surprised I never really mentioned that. It happened a while back though, so I kind of forgot about it. What platform is that? It's Apex. Apex. It's only for Apex. I don't know if Top Step allows it. I don't know. But from Apex, from my experience, they're like, yeah, no, you can't really. Yeah, you could probably do a VPN. Yeah, yeah. You could probably do a VPN. You'll be fine. Yeah. I'm sure that works. If only Apex's rules weren't like a whole fucking, like it's a whole book of rules. It's dumb. I wish they just explained it easier, so everyone can understand it. But wouldn't you be better off sizing up accounts so 10 x 100k rather than 50? No. With the 100k accounts, you can't even request as much as 50ks. You know that, right? You can request the same amount. It's more work, but you request the same amount. It's dumb. I prefer the 50ks a lot more. Like I'll probably never switch over from the 50ks. I love it. We take any trades? Just woke up? Nope, bro. Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. We're just kind of waiting for the market to give us more of a bias so we can understand the market. But right now, nothing to really work with right now, bro. Can this guy? Honestly, bro, with AI today, probably, bro. And it's illegal. Is it legal? Probably not. But people don't really care. You probably get a slap on the wrist. You have 50ks? Yeah, bro. I have 13 50k accounts. He's swimming because I got his song taken down. Oh shit. Oh shit, bro. What the hell? Bro, how did you get yourself into that situation, bro? Only 13? I had 15, but I failed too. A while back. I'm kind of a bit lazy to just buy more accounts. I'm still waiting on the 90% off. Once I get that, I'll probably do I'll do 20. I'll move on to 20. How long did it take to get all 13? It took like 2 weeks. I copy traded all of them. I copy traded 15. I passed in 2 weeks. Please recommend a VPN. I don't know. Maybe NordVPN. That's one that I hear a lot. I don't really use VPNs all that much. What if you say on a campus in college? I don't know. I would say they understand that part. I mean, I don't know how they work. Apex is weird with the rules. You pay for all 15 at once? Yeah. I copy traded them. You trade differently when passing? Nope. You guys gotta treat these accounts like real accounts. If once you guys start trading, trading like a business, you'll start seeing results. I'm not here full porting 20 accounts hoping to pass them. You know what I mean? I actually traded them for 2 weeks, and I slowly got the money and I passed it eventually. You know. Are you available to start the live earlier? Last days, the best trades happened before. Yeah, no, I started 50 guys today. I started 15 minutes after the market opened. I usually started 30 minutes after, but today I did it earlier. Proton VPN is a good free one. Yeah, you can also do a free one. Yeah, if you're just trying to trade. Yeah. What if I trade while traveling? Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It'll probably just start it up again, bro. I'll be back instantly. They always do that. So how much do I need to make to get my first payout on a 50k account? You need to make, well, there's new rules now, but from what it was, you need to make $52,600. What's the process after processing an eval? They email you, you activate it, you sign some paperwork, and that's it. You get it. And no, you do not need to pay for anything after you pass the eval. It automatically gets cancelled, and that's it. You pay a one-time fee most of the time, and that's it. Yes, I am, bro. Yeah, the coupon. So far, guys, I'm really hoping the market doesn't start chopping out here. What do you guys think? Okay? Do you guys think we start slowing down going into PM and then the usual PM, slow PM, or do you think this is just a pause movement before the big move? Guys, I'm not even. Let me be completely honest with you guys. The second I woke up today and I opened the charts before I started the live, I'm like, bro. I told myself, I'm like, there's no way you're gonna get a trade today. It's kind of like I knew it was gonna happen. Like, I knew it. It really show it really goes to show, guys, like how much drawn one level of drawn liquidity could really change your entire day. Like I woke up, I look at the charts, and I'm like, no, matter of fact, look at this, guys. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me show you guys. Hold up, give me 1 second. Let me show you guys this real quick. Let me open up the stream real quick. Let me pull this up real quick. Hold on. From Blastoise trades. Guys, peep this. It's not even that I woke up and I knew we weren't gonna get a trade. But look. Hold on. Where did I send that message? I said it yesterday. Hold on, I said something was cooked. Hold on. Right here. Right here. Alright, guys, peep this, peep this. Hold on, let me screen share everything. Hopefully my Discord doesn't crash. Okay, we're good. Alright, guys, peep this right here, guys. Peep this. So yesterday, right here, I said yesterday, I said, I'm not gonna lie, we might be cooked for tomorrow, right? And someone said, why? It was George. If you're in here, bro, what's up? But I said, the charting for tomorrow, there's not much to work with because of today's slow push up with 0 pullbacks. We just didn't create drawn liquidity. So when I was charting yesterday, I'm like, damn, like, we're kind of fucked for tomorrow. Just because we don't have any levels to work with. And I was hoping for some overnight good price action, with some levels, but you know how overnight is, nothing to work with yet. So I kind of knew it, and I woke up today, I'm like, you know what? I literally told myself, I'm like, the chances of you getting a trade today is probably slim to none. I didn't want to tell you guys this because I know you guys hear no trades and you guys, have a whole panic attack. So I try to stay away from that, but it's getting to a point where the market is really slowing down here, and it's just how it is, guys. Job VIP, yeah. Let me see. Bro, but the thing is, bro, the trade from 30 minutes ago, it was a hindsight trade. It was not a good trade. Although it played out, it was not good, guys. There was no confirmation to that trade. You were taking a gamble. You didn't know what you didn't know what the trend was. You didn't know what the bias was. You guys are looking at a hindsight. I promise you guys, if this setup never played out, you would have been like, oh, you probably wouldn't even have mentioned for not taking the trade. You guys have to stop looking at stuff hindsight, because obviously we knew real time that it was not gonna, like, we didn't have anything to trade it, because if not, I would have taken it. Thanks for wasting my time, bro. But yeah, guys, do not look at this setup and be like, ah, bro, like, I wish I would have taken it. No, bro, there was nothing to take there. There was no confirmation on a reversal. You didn't know if it was gonna reverse and go up. You didn't know if it was gonna keep going down. You didn't know because there's no liquidity there. There's nothing to work with. You guys need to understand that part. Stop looking at hindsight, because it's gonna make it so much worse. Bro, Major, what did you reply to, bro? High risk? Wait, what? High risk? Like, are you saying hi to the risk, or are you saying high risk? Let me catch up with YouTube real quick. MES, 50-minute fair value. What do you think? I'm not gonna be on ES until we take out 886. Hindsight is 2020. Always, bro. Always. And trust me, I'm a victim to hindsight. I always say, oh, guys, like, we had the setup, we should have taken it. It happens. Don't get me wrong. But try not to make it a habit. Yeah, it was a really risky trade, but even if I was a risk taker like that, I probably wouldn't have taken it. It's just you don't have the confirmations. What makes a trade really good is the confirmations behind the setup. If you don't have any, then why would you take it? You're just taking a random candle. Yo, Blast, a friend of mine is gonna join the Discord soon. Hey, bro, thank you, bro. Thank you for the referral, my man. Thank you. I got 2 of you guys in here, bro. Anyways, how much cushion do you have in your 10 accounts? I have 66k per account. I built that shit up. So anytime I get the well, now 8 days, I just kind of just request 2K. Do you use DOM? Nope, I do not. But yeah, cushion, bro. Cushion is everything. Because once you build a cushion, guys, those accounts are they can stay with you for a long time, long time. I mean, I've been holding these accounts for months. What's cushion? It's like you're just making a lot of money. Like you're making a lot of money before you request a payout. So that means that if you lose money, like you have a cushion. Like if your account falls, it's like falling on a pillow. You know what I mean? Like you could breathe. Exactly, you could breathe a lot easier. Like if you take an L, you don't have to worry about trading drawdown. You don't have to worry about blowing up your account. It's just like a regular L. So yeah, do you have drawdown? No, guys. Your drawdown on for those that don't know, on Apex, your drawdown freezes after the $52,000 mark. So once your account goes above 52K, you don't have any more drawdown, like ever. Like you can make $10,000 and you can have $10,000 worth of drawdown. How do you make cushion? I mean, bro, you just trade. You just make money. What about 300K? All of the accounts have it. I just don't know how much it is for 300K. I don't know. I do know 50K because obviously I use them. It's a $52,000 mark. How much breathing we got? I got 16K. Do you have a cushion build? Obviously, yeah, of course. Everyone should. Everyone should have a cushion. Are you taking a trade? I'm trying to. I'm trying to, bro. Don't get me wrong. I'm trying to, but it's a little bit hard here when the market is not really moving. So, you know, we're trying here. I have days where I hold to full TP, and then days where I close too early. Gotta manage my emotions because I enter based on the setup, but exit based off the profits. Hey, bro, at least, bro, you have most of the problem solved there. You already know what the problem is, right? Now, bro, just trust your stop loss. That's the best tip I can give you. Just trust the stop loss and hold that trade, right? It's the reason. You know, the reason why you can hold it. You gotta trust it with your entire account, bro. So when you pass the eval period, you can make no. On the eval period, you don't. There's no limit to how much you can make a day. They don't care about the evals. Now, on the PA phase, you can't make any more than 750 a day. Is Apex like Top Step where you can only make a certain amount on those PAs? Nope, bro. With Apex, you can make $1 million if you have to. I mean, like literally $1 million. Someone requested $1 million payout of on Apex. It's not limited like on Top Step. But the chat is so much more full compared to 2 months ago. Yeah, bro, the community, guys. By the way, guys, for the people that joined over the weekend, or for the people that have been joining recently, guys, thank you, guys, thank you. Like, we're building the community that I dreamed of when I first started, like slowly, guys. Like everyone in here knows like what we're doing and all that stuff. You know, it's not like a whole shit show where everyone's like, guys, do I buy now? You know, like we actually know what to do. So you know, it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Like we're literally building the community I've dreamed of making. Because your work is starting to show people. I mean, it's all about transparency. You know what I mean? It's all about transparency. In trading, I know like showing like profits and all that stuff. It might be a little bit personal, but it's how you get yourself out there. I remember when you only had 100, bro. I remember when I would start live tradings and I would barely even get 10. I'll probably get like 13. I was here at 40, bro. You guys don't understand. In the 13 people days, psh, I was realizing Dave's the real owner, bro. Nah. I don't even check up the chat like at all. Here since had 70. Nah. You're not OG, bro. You guys are not OG unless you guys were here when I had 13, like 10, 13, 20. That 1 million was David? Nah. I wish, but I promise you guys, if I made 1 million off payouts, mm, would I be here still? Probably. A lot of people did orange fish. You would be surprised, bro. A lot of people did. Can you go get water? Actually, I'm a little bit empty on my water, but I'll get it later. I heard we're talking about now Hanif. Now this guy right here. This guy right here is OG. This guy was here on my lowest days. When no one was here, that guy was there. Is Miami or Dubai better? Okay, I have never been to Dubai, but from what I've heard, I think, like, if you want to be humbled, go to Dubai. Now, Miami is also really good, but definitely not in comparison to Dubai. Okay? You guys gotta understand, Miami. It's a lot of Miami it's hood. Like they just don't show it on social media. But if you live there long enough, you guys would obviously know that Miami is not as pretty as they show online. Yeah, but I love it. I love every like thing about Miami. How long have you been trading this strat for? 2 years. I used to trade trend line breakouts. I used to trade support and resistance, which I loved. Guys, you don't understand the like trading support and resistance was so fun. I love like although you don't get a good reading off of it for the market, it's I loved it. I loved the support. I loved every then from support and resistance and trendline breakouts. I moved over to gap fills. Then I moved over to the strat, which is the one, the two up, two down, all that stuff. And then from the strat, I slowly moved over to fair value gaps. And ever since then, guys, I'm probably never gonna switch this strategy. Like this is my strategy. Like I love this strategy. Like I'm probably never gonna switch it. Why do you quit? If it was so fun. I mean, just because it's fun doesn't mean it's stable. You know, like when the plays played out, you would make money. Trust me, you would make money off of them. But it wasn't really good. Like it wasn't as consistent. See, everyone here acts like they're from New York, bro. Where do you origin from? Like, where do I come from? Cuba. So obviously, you know, a lot of Cubans come to Miami. Like probably every Cuban comes to Miami. I'm curious, how did you manage to stay patient when you first started trading? Bro, journaling. I can show you guys right now. I can. Is my camera connected? No, it's not. Um, bro, guys, I still have my journal from like 4 years ago. I can show you guys. I have I have my journal. It's in my closet. I use it. I have it as like a memory. But yeah, guys, journaling. Guys, journal everything. I don't care on what. I don't care how good. I don't care how bad you are at trading. Journal every step of the way. Trust me. Bro. Are you ready to Scarface? Um, hmm, nah, because I have the Miami accent, so not really. No. Use TradeZilla. Uh, I got word from some of my friends in my group chat that TradeZilla is pretty garbage. Like, at least for prop firms. It doesn't show the P&L correctly. It's a whole shit show. So I rather. Plus, my journaling is in my futures alerts and commentary. Like, I don't need to pay for an extra website and kind of just waste money for stuff that I don't need. I overtraded. Bro, what did you even trade? There's nothing to trade here. Lucky slowly dumping. Nah, bro, guys, we're still in this chop zone, and we might stay like this for the entire day. I'm not gonna lie. It's about a. Okay, let me ask you guys. How long would you guys give the market before we call it? Yo, David, do you also use a live account? I used to. I don't really like it. So 11, 11:30. I'll do like 11:20. I'll like do the middle. 11:15, 11:20. Just come back PM. Okay, Donnie. We could do PM. We could do PM. Thing is, we have earnings coming out after hours. So what does that mean? Well, what that means is chop. Be ready for some chop later today. Is looking for shorts. Let me see. No. I mean, there's nothing crazy going on yet, bro. Especially on ES. Can we do PM but just watch? I mean, if something comes up, maybe. Yeah. The thing is, guys, I got a flat tire, so I kind of have to go switch it later today. There's no max on your live funded account. There is an Express account. Remember, live and Express, they're two different things. On Top Step, they're two different things. Live account is a real account for Top Step, and an Express account is after you pass the eval. What about Apex? I don't think Apex does live accounts. Like rarely. If I get 10k in 3 days on a PA, will I break the consistency rule for the 50k? Yeah, probably, bro. Because remember, you're breaking the 30% rule. Do you have a fair value gap entry at 643? This fair value gap, we need to see a very big sell-off, because this fair value gap is not even that good. I'll mark it out, yeah, sure. But Thing is, it's getting the reading here in the market, guys. We haven't taken out any major liquidity. That's the problem. I didn't want to really trade today. Because it's just getting the reading in the market is going to be really fucking hard. And it's going to be risky. Nah, also, no. Cut the shorts? Bro, call it a day if you can, bro. 212? Bro, 212, bro. You just opened the whole memory, bro. I'm like 212. Bro. Let me see it. Oh yeah, here it is, bro. The one right here. Bro, I used to love that strat. Yeah, so far we're getting some sort of a selling of a breakout here, BOS. Not on ES though, on NQ. Let's see if we can manage to hold something here. If no liquidity is swept, doesn't that mean it should bounce off a fair value gap and continue to trend? Technically, yes. Technically, yes. But it's a lot harder to read when drawn liquidity is very far away. You know what I mean? Then to see it, yep, I got a flat on it, bro. But it's under warranty, so I don't. They said it's free. They'll just change it for free. Yeah, it's 500 a piece, bro. It's bad. I saw the nail in the tire. I'm like, fuck. You guys don't understand. Like, how'd you get a flat? I was driving and I got a nail in the tire. That's what I get for driving in those in construction areas. Okay, well we're getting a sell off here. Now, could you take this inverse? Yes. I don't know if I want to take it though. Like I said, no, guys, I know you guys hate to hear it. Like I really do, but there's just nothing in this in today's market that's screaming at me to take the trade. You guys know you guys know when I tell you guys, I'm like, guys, we need to see the setup. I love the setup. You know, like I want to take it. Nothing is telling me today to really take anything. I just don't see it. I really don't see it. Don't feel bad. Just 6 years chatting, bros. 100%, 100%, 100%. But like I said, like I want to deliver to you guys. You know, I definitely want to deliver. But all right, let's see how this plays out. Cause all right, I just want to see hindsight, right? We're getting this inverse. If you guys want to take it, feel free to. Feel free to. Just know the risk behind it. I'm not gonna take it, and nor am I gonna commentate behind it. But I just want to watch. I want to watch to see how this plays out. Has Krabby caught anything, guys? Nah, nothing. He's still on. Yep. So cash day for both of us, or cash so far for both of us. Do you hear the curb? Nah, nah, nah. Nail. No, I'm sorry. No trade is still W day. 100%, 100%. Hey, anything's better than a red day. You guys gotta understand that part. Who's gonna take it? Me. I have run flats. I just gotta go slow, which is pretty hard in that car. So. Soft those rims. Yep, I know. Trust me. I think the rims are covered too, but I don't know. Okay, we're getting more of a sell-off here, guys. So let's see if this inverse can really hold here. Let's see if the inverse can hold. Like I said, I'm not gonna look to trade this, guys. I just don't like the setup. I don't like anything today. Like the fact that we don't have any drawn liquidity anywhere nearby, I'm sorry, guys. It's not my style of trading. I'd rather wait patiently for a better setup and actually make a lot more money rather than taking a big risk on a setup that's like super whatever and possibly get stopped out. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but if we remain green this week, we'll be green for 1 month. Again, the third 1 month streak, guys. Well, obviously that doesn't include trading every day, but you know we've had 100% every single week in trades. And why is that? Because we wait patiently for a setup, we stay disciplined, and we don't force trades like this one right here. Right? Look at this wick. You see what I mean? Got stopped. I figured. I figured. Yep. That's what I told you guys. But yeah. Once again, guys, I'm not trying to force it out, and I know you guys. Okay. Let me ask you guys. Would you guys consider? Okay. Let me delete this. Let me copy this just in case. Because I had this written for the first trade just in case. All right. So okay, would you guys consider this, right? Like we're technically on a 1 month streak, but we don't take a trade every day. Like last week we had 3 trades. The last week we only had 2 trades or 4 trades. What? 4 trades. Okay. And then last week we only had 2 trades if I'm not mistaken, right? So that's 3 weeks, 100% win rate, right? So do you guys consider this three? That's 7. Okay. Do you guys consider this a 10-day win streak, or do you guys consider this a 1 month win streak? In my opinion, I consider a 1 month to stay cash for some days. You know what I mean? But what do you guys consider? So we have 100% win rate starting the 10th of October. We have another 100% win rate on the 14th. We have another 100% win rate from last week, which is the 21st. And then so far we have a 120 point trade from yesterday for this week, right? So we're still 100%. So do you guys consider that a month? 1 month? Okay, perfect. You're teaching us risk, guys. Money trees in here, guys. Money trees said a quote yesterday, or a saying, or whatever, about this. Hold on, let me show you guys. It was something with a sniper. Let me see. Oh, right here, guys. Look at this, because I know there's a lot more of you guys in here. Read this, guys. Look at this. He said that there's a difference between a dude that knows how to shoot and a sniper, right? A dude that knows how to shoot is more like a scalper, that's someone that scalps, left and right, and all that stuff, and takes really risky setups like this one, for example. And there's a guy that's a sniper, right? The guys that know how to shoot, go into the building, blow the whole place up, and just to kill one guy, just to make profit. For example, you're taking a million trades to make profit, and all sorts of ammo and energy used. And then there's a sniper that waits in one spot, 3 days, no bathroom breaks, no nothing, because he might lose his opportunity. But when it comes, one shot only. You know what I'm saying? Think of us to be the sniper, right? We wait patiently. It could be a day, it could be 2 days, it could be a week, it could be a month for one setup. But once that setup comes along, we're here every single day. Once that one setup comes along, guys, we shoot it and we make our money. That's how I trade. Now, if that's not your style of trading and you guys like taking a million trades a day, then I'm probably not the person to learn from. You know what I mean? Because I'm more of a sniper type of guy. You know what I mean? You guys know me. I get on every single day at the same time. I wait X amount of hours. If I don't get the setup, we come back the next day, same opportunity. You get what I'm saying? So this quote right here, it's what I trade by. I love this one right here. This is like probably the best one I've heard so far, the sniper one, because it literally like shows what we are. You know what I mean? Like, if you guys trade with my strategy and like my ways of trading, think of yourself like more of a sniper type of person. Now, if you're a scalper, then you guys are more of a just someone that just shoots a lot. Think of it like that, right? So yeah. But guys, what? Oh my. Okay, this has to show something right here. Let me see. Hey David, just joined both your Discord and YouTube. Watching your bootcamp videos, getting into futures, and planning on going with Apex. I don't quite understand the profit limit rule. Well, it's pretty easy, bro. You just can't exceed the 30% rule. Like, just don't make over that amount. It's that simple. And if you need it, give me your Discord real quick. I'll go ahead and add you and send you the picture that you need. Eric Thomas, is that a famous guy? I mean, I don't really read books or much or anything. So I don't know who that is. When's the next bootcamp video dropping? I'm gonna drop it today, guys. Today in the PM session. It's ready. Today in the PM. Look at that. I was about to go short. The guidance is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, it's not worth the risk. There's no good readings in the market. We don't have any DOL. We don't have anything. It's really hard to it's really hard to trade something today. You guys know I always wait for the perfect setup. Nothing here is perfect. I'm telling you guys. I'm trying to help you guys here a little bit. I know, staying cash might be a little bit hard, or you guys might not like it, but sometimes it's better than trading. You know what I mean? Like, less is more in this market. Less is more. Show the quote again. Here. It should be this one right here. Here, if anything, I'll just copy it. Here it is. Okay, let me see. Blasters, do you think once ES takes liquidity from London highs, it could start dumping? It's a big possibility, yes. But can we take it out? We're really far away, bro. So I don't know. I shorted the drop. It got stopped out for break even. Man. Sorry to hear that, bro. It's just the market is just not good. Do you flip days? You don't take any trades? No. I just stay cash. I don't bother. How much do you need to successfully trade a live account? I would say if you really want to make good money off a live account, minimum 5K. Minimum. For Tesla, wait, for stocks like Tesla and Amazon, do you mark drawn liquidity for Asia and London? No, because stocks they're not open during Asia and London. They're only open during the New York stock hours. So when it comes to the stock market, trading drawn liquidity, it's a bit harder because you don't have as many levels to really work with, right? Because the market is not open 23/6. It's only opened for like 8 hours a day. So it's a little bit harder with stocks, but it still works. Just a bit trickier. Do you have to deal with the same drawdown? No, there's no drawdown on a live account. It's just, if you lose all your money, then you're gone. But no, there's no drawdown like Apex. No, 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 no. It's your money after all. Did you know it takes eight wipes to know it only took 7? Yes, yeah. That yeah. Do you recommend when I get a payout to use 1K for a small live account and keep 1K to myself? Bro, honestly, I don't know, because the way I went about it, and this I never regretted this, was I tried putting my payout money into a live account, but I don't know, I like funded accounts so much more. I know you have to deal with a lot more rules, but the amount of money that you can make with copy trading on a funded account is incredible. Like you guys need to take advantage of this opportunity. Like, copy trading is literally life changing. Like, if it wasn't for funded accounts, I don't know where I would be. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Why not trade a live account and a funded? You could. I mean, it's just more work. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather just focus on one thing and just make money. Yeah, honestly, bro, I would do fundeds over live, Diego. Like get the payout, invest some of that money. Obviously, enjoy some of the money because you gotta pay off your hard work, for the payout. I know it was hard for you, for everyone, you know. But definitely invest some of the money into buying more funded accounts and get those to make you more money. How much do you get with your 10 fundeds? And how often would you get it? I usually get one payout a month, and right now, I recently started trading 10 accounts about maybe like 2 months ago, and I've gotten about 220K payouts from them. So 2K per account. Did you pay for your copy trading? No, it's free, guys. It's free. It's free. It's on Tradeovate. Tradeovate's free copy trading thing, completely free, guys. On a PA, does drawdown follow me until I get to? No, it's 52,000, not 52,600. 52K flat. If you get big days on a 50K, you can still get a payout route, right? Yeah, you can. You can. Yes, sir. Why did you stop options? Options is garbage. That's just my opinion, though. That's my opinion. If you guys do options, if you guys are making money from it, who am I to tell you not to do it? You know what I mean? But Theta. Speaking of, yesterday I was driving, guys. And some dude had Theta as his butt. The only reason I hate options with my entire life is because of Theta. That's the only reason. It's just so bad, bro. It's such a headache. Such a headache, bro. He sells options then? Bro, look, I'm being for real. Look, I'm gonna send it in the premium chat. Look at this, guys. I don't know if he's actually a trader. What are the chances? But look, he had it. It says THE8 Theta. Exactly. Exactly, Viv. Exactly. No matter how good you are, you're battling with time. It's not even about the charts anymore. It's about time. You know what I mean? I'll mark that poop FG. Yeah, bro. Let me do that. But yeah, what's Theta? Okay, look. So for the people that don't know about options, right? And here's why I'm so against options. Now, you guys know, trading, you're not getting paid a salary, right? It's not like a 9 to 5, right? You're getting paid off your decisions. So you can either have an extremely quick day or you can have a very, very slow day, right? Now, with you getting paid for your decisions, it's either you're right or you're wrong. But with options, right? With Theta, it's not whether you're right or you're wrong. It's like options is made to make you lose. That's the problem. And I know some people don't want to hear that, but it's really made to make you lose. Now, why do I say that? Because look, first of all, not only do you have to be right on the chart, but you have to time it perfectly. Because if you miss the timing by 30 minutes to an hour and the market starts chopping up like this, for example, right? Even if the chart goes your way, you will still lose money. It's either you lose money or you don't make money, even though the chart went your way and even hit your price target. That's the problem with options. That's the problem. So not only are you in a battle with trying to be right on the charts, but like Viv said, you're also in a battle with time. So why would you why would you do that when you could just do futures, not have to deal with theta, and actually get paid a set amount for your decision? You get what I'm saying? And like I said, I know some people, because I've said this before, and some people get mad at me. They're like, bro, you're always hating on options. Like for what? Like, I'm making money to stop trading options. Do as you want. I'm just telling you my opinion on options and why I went from trading options for 3 years into doing futures full time. Because trust me, guys, I had a working strategy in the market. Shit, I bought my first the BMW that I had. I bought that with only options money. I bought it cash. So trust me, I had a strategy for options. But long term, I'm telling you guys, it's not stable, because even if you're right, you could still lose a lot of money because of theta if you time it wrong. So that's why when I heard about futures, I'm like, bro, this is a no-brainer. I have a working strategy. So if I don't have to deal with theta, I might as well just imply it into futures. You know what I mean? It's just it's literally a no-brainer. But what if you do a long contract? Okay, so if you do a long contract, here's the problem. The longer the contract, the less volatile the contract is. So even if it goes your way, sure, you could make money, but with the amount of risk you're putting into that contract, with the amount of money you're putting into the contract, you're not being paid the risk that you're putting. You get what I'm saying? So even if it goes your way, you're still not making as much money as you really want to be making for being right in the market. You get what I'm saying? So it's either you risk trading 0 DTE and you make a lot of money, but you also risk the theta, or you trade long expiration contracts. You don't really risk. Theta is still there, don't get me wrong, it's still there, but the problem is you're not going to be getting paid as much because there's not as much interest in those contracts rather than 0 DTE. You see what I mean? Everything is just made to be against you in options. That's my problem with it. And don't get me started on the spreads. The spreads is a whole different thing. I've been trading options and literally trade while the trade will go wrong, and then right I'm still losing, exactly because of theta. It's horrible. That's my take on it, though. They use the same model. No, I used to do breakouts, like support and resistance breakouts. Let me see. Would this PA build a better tomorrow? Yes, it will. Yes, it will. It will. Why do I say that? And I told you guys this earlier. Right, guys, today we might not get a trade. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, because price is really, really bad. Right, and what I mean by bad is that there's no reading. There's no draw on liquidity. Right, but what happens when there's no draw on liquidity? Well, for today, we risk not trading. Right, but to reward us, we get levels for tomorrow. You get what I'm saying? So look, for example, yesterday we had no levels. Right, so yesterday we caught a very nice trade, 120 points to be exact. Right, but because of that, we had only a push-up, so no drawn liquidity. So today we had no levels to work with, right? Which is fine, right? Now tomorrow, right? Now that we're creating more levels of liquidity in the spot where we didn't have liquidity before, for tomorrow, what we could do now is we can now use the liquidity that we're creating today to use it into the readings tomorrow and get an easy setup for tomorrow. You get what I'm saying? So think of it as us paying for a setup, right? We're paying by not trading, right? So we're not really making money, but if we go into tomorrow, we can make money with the setup that we created today. You guys get what I'm saying here? So all it takes is a little bit of patience. I promise you guys, just because you don't trade for one day, I promise you, you'll live. You'll live. You know what I mean? Just think of this as like you're paying for a setup, right? The setup will just come out tomorrow, right? So like for example, tomorrow, if the market were to close right now, we could use drawn liquidity at 542. We can also use drawn liquidity at this low right here at 629. We can use drawn liquidity here at 699. For tomorrow's levels. You guys get what I'm saying? So tomorrow should be a lot easier to read rather than today, because today we had nothing, right off open, right? Which is why I told you guys, why we might not get a setup today, stuff like that. So yeah, let me see. Let me catch up with the chat. I think you need a decent amount of capital and someone who does options daily. Yeah, Nord Trades, he's amazing. Like, I love that guy. Like, I used to look up to Nord Trades when I used to do options. Like, I loved options with Nord Trades. But like I said, yeah, you need money and you need to scalp it, because you guys gotta keep in mind, Nord Trades, he takes like 10-point trades, or not point, 10% trades, right? But the reason he makes so much money is because he puts like 6 figures per trade. Think of it like that. So, and that goes with any market. If you have a lot of money, you can even trade penny stocks and still make thousands a day. I didn't want to say that at first, but when I switch and you're 100% right. I'm telling you guys, it's common sense. If you guys look at it like from another perspective, options is really made to make you lose. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, there's so much stuff into options that's made to, like, for example, spreads, theta, delta or whatever, open interest, all that stuff, expirations, guys, all that stuff is made to make you lose in options. Now, obviously, the strategy is to make money with it, but is it really stable long term? You gotta ask yourself that. Because listen, if it's not one thing, it's the other. You know, if the market's not chopping, then theta, then the spreads, and then this and that. It's, you know, I'd rather just have something where I can just buy and sell all in one, and that's it. I missed yesterday's trade by a second. And no trade today. It's all good. It's part of the game, bro. JMK, bro, you're always missing these trades, bro. What could you possibly be doing, bro? When do you start stacking accounts? In the beginning of the year? I started stacking accounts. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember. I blew my account. Do I cancel it or reset it? Bro, how did you blow it, bro? How? Like, what are you doing here? But yes, bro, cancel it and just get another one if you want. SPX is ODT, bro. Don't even say that, bro. I do not want to hear of SPX. How can I fix my trading mentality, bro? I'm not gonna lie. That's something that kind of comes with time. The more screen time you have on the charts, the more familiar you get with it, and the more you're like, oh, I know what happens here. You know what I mean? But also make sure you have a strategy in mind, and you also journal your trades. You know. So keep that in mind. So there's a few stuff to it, but it kind of comes with time in a way. Now, as long as you don't give up, of course. Short or long? Right now, nothing. Right now, nothing. There's really nothing to work with here. Options is usually better for long-term investors. If you're gonna do long-term, just invest into the stock, no? Like, if you have money for long-term investing, just do regular stocks. Don't do options, right? Well, you could do long-term with options, but like, I don't know, like, you usually don't hear long-term option trades. You know what I mean? Like, sure, there might be swing trading, right, which could be good, but I can't read this market? Nah, me neither. Trust me, me neither. There's not much to work with, like I said. Let me see, hold on. Let me kind of check up something right here, guys. Give me 1 second. But yeah. When you journal your trades, what exactly do you write? Good question. First of all, you gotta keep in mind, guys, when you guys are journaling, right? When you guys are journaling, you guys gotta keep in mind, write down everything. I don't care if you made $1 million. I don't care if you made $1. I don't care if you lost $1 million. You gotta journal wins and losses. Now, one thing that many of you guys might not think about when it comes to journaling is journaling your emotions. You guys know emotions play a role in trading, but it's not a role that you're really so focused on because you're so focused on the setup and the chart and the trade, right? But emotions really play a big role. So you guys gotta keep in mind, right? It can also be location. You know, it's a mental thing. Some you know, for example, let's say I'm trading in my car, right? I've noticed, for example, this is an example, right? I've noticed that in my car, I focus a lot more, right? So I'm gonna write down in my journal, okay, I took this trade, I saw this, I was feeling really happy today, because I traded in my car, I was listening to music. You guys gotta find the pattern in your system, right? In like your mind, right? Because some people, they might not like music while trading, some people might like music while trading because they can focus more, right? You guys need to journal that down. Why? Because once you guys start seeing a pattern after a month, after 2 months, after a year of journaling, right? Once you start seeing the pattern of you seeing a lot more winning trades for doing this set thing or feeling this set way or going to the set place, right? You start doing that because obviously it's what's working in your system. You get what I'm saying? So it's not only you guys journaling your trades on a win or loss, which obviously you guys got to do that, but you guys also got to journal every feeling that you guys are. Maybe you guys are going through a breakup. Maybe you guys, you know, God forbid, someone passes away, right? Obviously you guys can't focus on your trades, right? So you're gonna journal that down. Okay, today this happened. This is how I was feeling. I couldn't trade today because I couldn't focus. So when that happens again, if it happens again, you know, you just won't trade because you know the pattern that it won't work, right? That's how you guys journal correctly. It's emotions, locations, what you're feeling, the trades, everything. Everything. Journaling your emotions huge. Exactly, bro. You guys might not notice, but emotions play such a big role in trading. You guys do not understand. Like, because it's as simple as saying, oh yeah, you can just buy and sell and just hold. But when you're holding, it's really hard because you don't know if you're panicking, you don't know if you're feeling anxious, you don't know if you're feeling confident. You know what I mean? And you might sell early, you might sell too late, you might not hold your stop loss. You don't know. So you gotta journal that down. If anything, journal emotions more than the actual trades. You get what I'm saying? Well, obviously, well, balance it out. But guys, there's about 270 people of you guys in here. You guys need to take this like advice. Like, please, if you guys are trying to like make a living out of trading, you won't progress as much as you would if you were to journal. Trust me. Please, like, it could be an online, it could be Notion, it could be an online journal, it could be a journal from Walmart. I don't know. As long as you could like write it down, you could do it. You know what I mean? We're in a 5 minute and 4 hour bullish rally gap. Can we take it? I don't know, man. The thing is, like I said, I can't read the market today. Like, it's really, really hard. Like, there's no drawn liquidity. There's nothing to work with. So I don't like. You guys know I'm usually able to tell you guys where the market is gonna go to, how it's gonna go to, and all that stuff. But today, with the lack of levels that we have, I don't know what the market is trying to do. It's really hard to tell you guys what it's gonna do. I'm trying here, like, you know, we're giving the market some time here, but it's really hard to read. I don't know if it's gonna go up. I don't know what the bias is, right? We're just doing nothing. Have you watched? Nah, I haven't. Let me see. Wait, options was made to allow people that have invested in a stock to hedge. So if they want to hold a stock long term, but they think at some point it will dip, they can get into. Okay, yeah, that's a really good point. Yeah, really good point. But to make a living off options, I don't want to like be a Debbie Downer, but it's really fucking hard, really hard. Like, to the point where a lot of people can't do it because it's not stable, right? Even like, I was making a living off options. I couldn't see myself doing it long term. I really couldn't. I really couldn't do it. I always get winning trades when I goon, bro. I mean, shit. If it works, bro. I mean, you know. I play house music while trading. I end up winning rather than no music. I found that out. Come on. Okay, so you see, you guys know the system. You guys know the pattern. Some people listen to music. You have people like Beam where, you know, he you get what I'm saying? It works. You guys know what works. You guys just have to find a pattern in doing it. Let me see. And what if you feel numb? Well, there's a lot more to feeling numb. You know what I mean? Well, there's always ways to fix it. Of course, there's always ways to fix it. But you gotta journal why. You know why you feeling numb. I mean, I use Discord to journal. Just make a personal server. Yeah, I know I have a personal server as well for my journals as well. What would you say is the main thing of a trading plan consists of? Your strategy, of course, your strategy. Like, look, Saint, for example, and this goes for everyone in here. Today, right? A trading plan. Okay, let's say that the market just opened. Let's go ahead and create a trading plan. Well, obviously, we can't create a trading plan if we don't have our strategy shown in the market. For example, my strategy, we need drawn liquidity. If we don't have any drawn liquidity nearby, we can't create a trading plan. And obviously, if we don't have a trading plan, we're not going to take a trade, right? And that's why we've been cash so far all morning. You guys get what I'm saying? Right? Because why? Because in a trading plan, we have a strategy. If the strategy is not being shown in the market, which obviously won't always be shown, we can't create a trading plan. So if there's no plan, there's no trade. As simple as that. And if you guys can't deal with that, then you guys have to learn to deal with it, right? Because obviously, you and I both know that the market won't show an opportunity for every single strategy out there. There's a million strategies. Sure, maybe this guy on Twitter might be green today, but we might be red today, or we might not have traded today, right? That does not mean that this guy is better than you, right? No one is better in trading. Everyone is a student to the game. You guys gotta understand that. It's just that the market sometimes does not show opportunities for certain strategies. For today, example, no drawn liquidity. We had fair value gaps, but no drawn liquidity. So we can't really fully create the trading plan because we don't have it. You get what I'm saying? And you guys need to understand that not every day will be a trading day. Some days will be choppy. Some days the strategy won't work. Some days will be red, and that's okay, right? It's how the market works. As long as you're able to manage it and be disciplined and journal everything down, I promise you guys can find consistency. I mean, shit, we've been green every single day on live, by the way, on live. Like, we've done everything live in front of your face with my screen being shared. 3 weeks straight, 100% win rate, 100% win rate, 100% win rate, right? So you guys know the deal here. You know what I mean? Some days are cash, and when the opportunity presents itself, boom, we strike with the trade, and we get 120 points like yesterday. You get what I'm saying? It's all about being the sniper, which takes me back to Money Tree's quote, right? Remember the sniper quote, guys? That's what it takes me back into. You guys have to understand that. It's all about waiting, guys. I just hate when I miss the sniper shot. The problem is, bro, the market has been here for decades. Just because you guys miss one setup, that does not mean that your whole life is over. There's gonna be a whole nother setup the next day. You'll be fine. You know what I mean? Gonna sign off. Hey, of course, Sakura, take it easy. And be careful with this market, please. Be careful. Be careful. Isn't a cash day technically a green day? Well, mentally, yeah. I consider cash days as like a winning day. Not a green day, but a winning day. Anything is better than a red day. Bills, bro? Okay, bro. Okay, look. First of all, if you're using trading to pay your bills, you're already doing something wrong there. Trading should not be your only source of income. Ever. I don't care. I don't care how much, you know? You guys, trading should be more. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Oh, what happened, bro? What? I'm catching these tomorrow. Hey, bro, take it easy, bro. Take it easy. And good shit, by the way. Good shit. Good stuff on the discipline, bro. Really good stuff. Piano, guys. What's it called? Yeah, no. You guys, no one in here, even including me. I don't care how consistent you guys are. I don't feel like it's the responsible thing to have trading as your only source of income. At least have a side hustle business that brings something to at least cover the bills for the month. You know what I mean? But trading should not be your only. And why do I say that? Well, first of all, it's very irresponsible, very irresponsible, right? On top of that, brings me back to my journaling, right? Emotions. When you guys are so desperate for a trade, where you guys are willing to trade anything and risk your money just to pay your bill, that's where trading really beats you up right there. That's where they get behind you and really, like, you know, it beats you up. You know what I mean? Because trading, no emotions should be set in trading. You get what I'm saying? No emotions at all, right? And now when you have bills, let's say for example you have bills next week and you have not gotten the payout for trading, that's when you guys are gonna, like, it's you can't even like resist it. You guys will force a trade out, right? And what happens when you force a bad trade out? Well, 90% of the time you're gonna go red, right? And you're gonna lose money. And on top of that, even if you go green, you're gonna make a very, very bad habit of forcing trades out to get a payout. You get what I'm saying? So no, I don't care how consistent you guys are. In my opinion, trading should not ever be your only source of income. You guys should have something. I don't care if it's a 9 to 5. I don't care if it's a sales job. I don't care if it's a clothing brand. There has to be something that is guaranteed to bring you money, because trading will never be guaranteed money. Never. And whoever tells you that trading is guaranteed money, it's a red flag. Please avoid it. Please avoid it. Because nothing in the market is guaranteed, and you guys should not ever, ever have trading as your only source of income. And I'm telling you, like, please take my advice, because I've seen this happen so many times where people, they get one payout and they're like, bro, like, I'm quitting my job, like, I can really do this. No, bro, that's so stupid. Don't ever do that, please. And if you guys are thinking about doing it, I hope this wakes you up, because the emotions will really catch up to you guys. If you need the money, then you'll act on emotions more than the strat. Exactly, you're gonna trade P&L instead of the charts. That's not how you do it. Am I done for the day? Honestly, bro, kind of. I really doubt anything comes up today. I've been trying to tell you guys this all morning. I think if you live below your means, you should be okay. To a certain extent. To a certain extent. You know what I mean? To a certain extent. To a certain extent. Like, yeah, sure, you can probably be on a budget, but how long is that budget really gonna last you for? You know? What do you do for other sources of income? Okay, so right now, bro, you guys, I've been trying to talk to you guys about this, but I'm starting a car channel. I don't know, that's more of a side hustle. But for me, obviously, I have Discord. I alert in RPs as well. I obviously have the trading money, and I have affiliates from Apex. Right, so right now, I'm currently sitting on 4 sources of income. 4, right? Well, technically, well, yeah, 4. Yeah, that's what I do. Now, the thing is with this, I'm not trying to fit all my eggs in one basket, because obviously, if the market is really bad, what tends to happen is you guys start to leave, I can't put out alerts for another server, and I can't really get too much commission off the affiliates because you know exactly. So I'm really, in my perspective, in like my business model, I can't really. I'm trying not to fit all my eggs in one basket. But my big skill, you know what I mean? Like the only really $1 million skill that I have is trading. That's what you guys know me for. You know what I mean? So I'm trying, like I'm slowly trying to build a business on another thing, which is the car channel that I'm currently trying to start. Because I don't know if you guys, I love cars, I love driving, I love going fast and all that stuff. And I'm sure a lot of you guys do. So I'm trying to work around something. Maybe I can become a content creator around cars and do trading on the side, or not on the chat on the side, but like like 50-50. But I'm really trying not to fit, because like Krabi said, I don't know if you guys were here one day, but you can't really live off trading because you never know. It all depends on the market conditions. Like for example, you guys remember this month, the last half of September and the first half of October, how many of you guys felt like giving up because the markets were so bad? I mean, shit, we went on a 3-day losing streak. You don't understand how many people left. You know what I mean? Like, I was getting really emotional. Not emotional like that, but like I was getting stressed because I'm like, fuck, bro. Like, in my 4 years of trading, I've never had such a bad market for a month straight. You know what I mean? I've never had such a bad market in my life. And I'm like, bro, like, when will it end? When can I start putting out good trades? Like, when will it end? And it just wouldn't end every single day. Somehow, the day after would somehow be worse than the day before. And you guys remember this, because I know a million of you guys, like 90% of you guys, were with me, like less than a month ago when the markets were horrible. You know what I mean? It was amazing, like not amazing, like insanely hard. You know what I mean? And what happened with that is, not only did I lose a lot of money with my accounts, because obviously I took 3 very heavy losses. A lot of you guys left. I couldn't put out too much alerts in other servers and all that stuff. So it was a shit show. I had just joined, yeah, and a lot of you guys joined when we went on that streak. But I'm really glad we were able to kind of like wake up. And we're back on track. You know what I mean? We're green for 3 weeks straight so far. Hopefully I don't jinx anything, but so far we're doing really good. We're staying consistent and everything. So you know what I mean? We're staying good. We're staying good. But that's what I'm trying to say. Like you guys never know. The market is so unpredictable that one day you're on a 1-month winning streak, and the next day you go on a huge 3-day losing streak and you lose a lot of money. Krabby went over 2 today? For real? No way. Did he actually? Oh yeah. NQ Longs. Wait, what did he take? Wait, guys, hold on. He's always just trading up to 1 minute. Let me see what he saw. He entered at 10:57. 10:57. He entered longs. Oh, he took it off this inverse right here. I see. He tried taking longs off this inverse. Right? Where did he enter at? 6:58. Yep, off the inverse. And then let me see, super choppy. Half stops in place. Stop down. NQ shorts at 6:20 at 11:15. Why did he take shorts though? Was it off his inverse? What was the entry? 6:20. Wait, what? What did he take? Damn. That just goes to show, guys. I'm like, this market today is not, like I said, guys. The market today is not tradable. I'm really glad that at least most of you guys were have managed to stick through the live trading with me. Although we've been yapping a lot and all that stuff. I'm really glad you guys are able to stay with me so I can like help you guys stay disciplined and not take trades here. I'm not saying Krabby did anything wrong. Like, bro, Krabby's a GOAT. Like, you know what I mean? But it just shows, like, if we take something, we're gonna get chopped out regardless. Regardless. We're gonna get chopped out if we take anything. You know what I mean? So I'm really glad like a lot of you guys managed to stick like right next to me today on staying cash, because it's really choppy, really choppy. And like I said, we just can't get a reading in the market. Oh wait, what? Trading view? Oh, my trading view crashed, bro. All right, but yeah, no, it just shows. It just shows. You know what I mean? It's just getting the reading today is gonna be really hard. But here's the positive side, guys. There's always a positive in everything, right? Now, with today being so choppy, what do you guys think is being formed for today, for tomorrow, right? What's being formed is drawn liquidity. We're getting a lot of levels of liquidity here that we can really work with for tomorrow and get a good reading, so we can get a really good trade. So yeah, what rank are you in? Bro, you guys saw my games, bro. Bro, what rank are you in Val? When I used to play like 2 years ago in quarantine. Quarantine was 2 years ago, right? No, it was 3 years ago. I used to be plat. Plat back then was really impressive. Don't get me wrong. It was really fucking impressive. Really impressive. And I guys, my flex for Valorant is I have the Twitch banner. I don't know if you guys know about it. Only the OGs know about it, and I have it. I got Valorant when it first came out, like the day it came out. Okay, can you show what internal versus external liquidity looks like? And premium liquidity. Okay, now that, I don't know too much about that. That's kind of more of Krabby's model. We trade the same strategy. We just have different, we look for different stuff in the strategy for entries and price targets. But we always enter at the same time. Like yesterday, me and Krabby entered 1 minute before I entered the longs. And we both caught the 100-point trade. Let me see. Did you ever play R6? Bro, of course, bro. I used to use... The reason I quit R6 is because I stopped using the... They patched the unlock all tool. Because back then I was broke. So I was not trying to buy elites. And I just used the unlock all. And I would flex that shit. Because it was like server-sided. So the whole server will see the elites and shit. Can you show drawn... Can you show drawn liquidity? It's right here. It's these levels right here. These levels. Premium is higher time frame liquidity, but it's the same thing as the smart. I don't know how that works. That's more on Karabi. Bro, or David used Karabi for confirmation, bro. Yeah, no, we got the same trade, which is amazing. Bro, how good are you at Fortnite? Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. I'm Unreal. I'm Unreal in Reload. When I buy a new Apex account after blowing one, when I need to log in, it'll be the same. Yeah, it'll be the same. Use the same login, the account will show up. Blast, you wouldn't become a gaming streamer or YouTuber? I don't know. Maybe if I was younger. But now I've shifted my focus over to cars and trading. I don't really play games as much as I used to back then. Why didn't we enter longs off the 10-minute bullish for earlier? Because I don't trade. I've never used 10-minute like ever in my life. That's the same thing as asking like, oh, why didn't you trade it off the 8-minute fair value cap? You know what I mean? Usually I kind of stick to 2 time frames, and it's the 5-minute and 15-minute. If we don't have anything there, then I'll just, just stay cash. Is it like support and resistance? Drawn liquidity. It's the idea of support and resistance, yes, but not the you don't play it as support and resistance. Like you're just finding the highs and the bottoms of trades. Is there any potential for any trades before I dip? Honestly, bro, you're better off just coming back tomorrow, man. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, bro. I don't want to waste your time or anyone's time. The chances of us getting a trade today is we're better off winning a lottery. It's just there's no reading. There's nothing to work with today. It's really, really hard. And on top of that, it's also very choppy. And unfortunately, Krabby got caught up in the chop. I guess he was trying to trade a fair value gap as well, like how we were. But would you say you trade ICT concept? Yeah, I do. I do. Fair value gaps and drawn liquidity. Yep. Joint fate, bro. That used to be my childhood dream, bro. Yo, Blast, did they take off the trading view option? No. It's really easy, bro. Okay, look. Go over to TradeView. Wait, the trading view option off. No. Yeah, go over to TradeView. Click settings top right. Click add-ons. Activate trading view. And then on trading view, just click trading panel and just sign in. We see you on Fortnite. I know, bro. You guys be stalking my account, bro. Yo, Blast, I went to Starbucks, bro. Did anything happen? No, bro. Nothing happened, bro. Nothing happened. Why level up in a video game where you can level up in real life? Face up, bro. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm playing GTA in real life, Anyways, let me see. Guys, I'm catching up with the... I bought some Mega Million Lotto tickets. Bro. Let me see. FaZe is like a reality show. Bro, honestly, people might argue that the new FaZe streams are boring. Or like not like the old FaZe. But I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I love the streams, bro. Lacey is the funniest one. Lacey and Ron. Oh, bro, make sure that you're logged into your Apex, bro, because it's supposed to be free. It's supposed to be free. You can level up on both, bro. Once GTA 6 comes out, bro, I'm gonna be playing that on stream while trading. Like I'm gonna have one screen like on the side playing GTA, and then trading on the side. Bro, I will not be leaving my room when that game comes out. You guys don't understand. You wanna be like Quan? Yeah, yeah. With the card channel, yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, no, bro, guys, when OG Fortnite came out, bro, I did not leave the room. Like, bro, like it got to the point where my girlfriend was begging me to the point where she would offer to pay just so I can leave to go out to eat. I'm like, no, I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Bro, I've never had so much fun, bro. Something so good lasted so short, and then of course the game goes to shit again. Yeah, and the same thing is gonna happen with with GTA 6. I am not leaving the room. Damn, what happened to Krabby? He got caught up in the chop, bro. Unfortunately. Is price? Yeah, look, he said here, I got stopped out. Not my day. Price is being a pain. It is. Why? Because we don't have a good reading in the market. And same goes with me. Same goes with Krabby. Same goes with probably every trader out there. Just trading today is, like I said, it's really hard. We can't do much. Warzone sucks now. Yeah, I mean Warzone. I played it, just not the biggest fan of it. And I was gonna do BO6, but I'm like, you know what? It looks like shit. Let me see, David. Bro, David, help us get our cars too, so we can all pop out. Bro, I'm trying, guys. A lot of you guys are getting payouts though, just slowly but surely. You know what I mean? Just 1% at a time. There's 400 of you guys in here, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna make sure that every single one of you guys, I don't care how long it takes, I'm gonna make sure that most of you guys get your payouts. We've already gotten a good chunk. I would say like about 100 of you guys maybe got payouts already. 100 out of the 400, or maybe a little bit less of 100. But it's the people that have been with me for a while are the people that are getting it. But yeah, guys, and by the way, guys, one more time for the 220 people in here, guys. Next week Tuesday, guys, we're gonna be on live at 9:30 sharp till 4 p.m. EST. I don't care how many trades we take. It could be 10 trades in a day, guys. Election day on Tuesday, guys. It's gonna be huge. We've been hyping this up for since September. You guys better be here. You guys better be here. We're gonna get some payouts on Tuesday. All right, we're gonna get some good trades going. A lot of volume going to the markets. Be ready, guys. Be ready. I've been hyping this up since September. So if I hype it up, I would hope it's good. You know what I mean? If it's bad, I'm gonna be very, very embarrassed. But I'm sure the market will be really volatile. Bro, I might have jury duty, bro. Just don't show up, bro. Just do not show up. Best way to hurry up and pass my eval before then? I hate to say it, but just full port the next trade. I'm gonna make sure the next trade is good. If you're down to risk it. Fuck it. What's up, bro? What's going on, Manka? What's up? Yes, sir. Tomorrow will be better. Yeah, bro. Don't worry. I'm gonna risk it. I mean, there's an 80% off going on. It's $30. Buy an account or two. Just full port it and cross your fingers that we get that winning trade. You know, I've never gotten jury duty. I mean, where are you supposed to look to know that? Because maybe I've gotten it and I've just never shown up. Bro, actually, I'm praying I don't. Because if I do, I can't live trade with you guys. I didn't go. I mean, do you get fined or something if you don't go? Like, that's stupid. You know what I mean? Like why me out of everyone? Like, what the hell do I have to do with the thing? Give it 2 more years and they'll call you up? Bro. Like, shit, if I was working a 9 to 5 or something, then yeah, just skip the 9 to 5. Yeah, sure, fuck it. But no, I have you guys to take care of. Like, I can't go. I have to take care of you guys, bro. And I know, guys, if I miss the day by even an hour, you guys go apeshit crazy. Just imagine a whole thing. Okay, Blasters, I'm full putting the next QQQ and NQ micros, 50 micros next trade. I'm gonna let it slide one time just because I want you guys to be on the PAs for November, for election day. I'll let you guys slide the full ports just one time. I'll make sure that the trade is good. And I'll make sure. I'll let it slide. I got you next trade. I'm full point. I'm gonna make sure that it's a good one. All right, just trust it. Just trust the process. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Now, if you fail it, you knew the risk. I'm gonna full port tomorrow's trade in hopes to get. Oh, I'm gonna full port tomorrow in hopes to get a good trade. I'm only letting you guys do this. I usually go like I get annoyed when you guys see you're full porting, but the only reason I'm letting this slide is because I really want you guys to be on your PAs for November because of election day. I really want you guys to get those payouts. And I'm not gonna lie, like I said, the markets are gonna be extremely volatile, and you guys know with volatile markets means 100-point trades left and right. So, do you guys remember the month of was it August or September? Guys, there was a month for the new people in here. Guys, there was a month where we were literally getting 100-point trades daily. Like there won't be a day where we get anything less than 100 points. Do you guys remember? Yeah, we caught a 600-point trade. We caught 300 points. We caught 200 points, 100 every single day. You guys do not understand how. Like I will be sleeping. Like I'll be like, tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Like I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Yep. August we caught a 600-point trade. September every single day was 100 points until mid-September where the markets just went to shit. And then ever since then it's been like 20, 40, 50 points. I think it was August before I joined. You guys don't understand. Every single day 100 points, 100 points, 100 points, 100 points, 600, 200, 300. Bro. Oh, like every day I'll be going to sleep. I'll be like, tomorrow is going to be a good day. And I'll wake up and in 30 minutes, before 10, 100 points, done for the day. Next day, 100 points, done for the day. Bro, you guys don't understand. I joined early August, but didn't do futures till September. Bro. Don't full port if election day is good. If you guys will pass. Yeah, no, after election day, we should be good for the month of November. Like I'm sure investors will be very interested in November. Yeah, Nate, I got you, bro. I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. That was in August. Yeah, like late August going into early September. Every single day, 100 points. Every single day. I remember like it was yesterday. Well, it kind of was. It was last month, but you guys get the idea. Oh, we did 2,200 points in August in alerts. Bro. I remember August, a lot of people got payouts. I remember most people got payouts in August. So if you guys were in here with me in August, you guys might have gotten a payout. Because we managed to snipe for the entire month of August 2,200 points in alerts for August. That's 110 points per day. I'm telling you, bro, every single day was 100 points. In general, is summer the best month for trading? In my 4 years of trading, every single summer has been amazing. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Every single summer has been an amazing summer. So technically, I would say statistically, yeah, I would say summers is pretty good. But you're still trading? Oh my god. Bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. I don't know how you're doing it, but man. Should I hop out of this trade? I don't know, bro. I really can't even tell you. I wish I could. Are you gonna do crypto for election day? Probably not. Probably not. I wanted to, but hey, dude, I missed out. In August, I was still at my 9 to 5 call center and will watch your YouTube lives and tell myself once I quit, I'm joining Blessed Premium. I'm focused on trading 100%. If you're on blank pace, 100%. Don't worry. Don't worry. And I'm not saying just because, guys, if we could do it once, we could do it again. You guys know. We know what we're looking for. It's just the market conditions are just not lined up for 100-point trades yet. I mean, to be fair, we did catch one yesterday. 120 points. Maka, make sure that you're on your Apex account. Made $300 today. But call it. How much did you make in August, David? If you don't mind me asking, I think I made 20K if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Hold on. I made about. Hold on. Let me see. So for the month of August, let me find the. I gotta find the bank statements. For that month of August, I was trading. I remember I was trading 5 accounts. 5 accounts in August. That August, I made 10,000. Yep, I made 20K in August in payouts. 2 payouts that month. 2 different payouts. 5 accounts each. 10K, 10K. So that month was really good, guys. Getting two payouts in 1 month is really fucking hard, and we not somehow we did it. We did it for August and September, two payouts, 2 months, and then this month of October I only got one payout, which is on the 18th. Bro, amazing, bro. This is what I like to see, bro. That journal, that's what I like to see, bro. Make it, write a whole essay if you have to about how you're feeling today. That's how you learn. That's how you get better at trading. I'm telling you from experience. You guys can ask any trader in the world how they got successful with trading. They're gonna tell you journal. I promise you. I promise you. I have connections in trading. They all say the same thing. I journal my brain. No, bro. You gotta write it down, bro. You don't understand. There's so much stuff. Cause look, when you're trading, you guys don't understand. You're so focused on one thing that you're not paying attention to other things. You guys need to understand that part. You guys need to write everything down so you can really wire it into your mind. Trust me, guys. I've been through it all. Trust me. You guys just do it. ES is at London High. Oh shit. What? Bro, what is this SMT? What's SMT when one ticker is stronger than the other? David, you got me muted? Bro, you're not even talking, bro. You're in the chat. I've got a journal here in the premium now. And you say forever? 100%, bro. 100. I was fucking with you. Guys, I have not caught up with my YouTube chat in a while. Let me check up on something real quick. But yeah, guys. Um, let me see. In the wait, let me see. In the book, I recommend you think and grow rich. It's literally the most important part of success. Write and read what you read, make it a reality. Exactly, bro. That's manifesting, bro. That's literally what it is. Exactly. That's what it is, bro. Yeah, 100%. Can you request as much as you want on a 25K account if you stay inside of the consistency rule? After 3 months, yes, you can request however much you want. Yes. Yes, sir. After 3 months. What do we call this? You call that chop, bro. That's what you call it. There's nothing there. The key is to journal everything regardless of what happens. Exactly. Win, loss, no trades. Journal what you're feeling that day. Do you feel confident? Do you feel disciplined? Journal everything, guys. I can't stress it enough. For today, for example, journal how you felt staying cash, because obviously we're staying cash today. We're not gonna get anything in this market, right? Journal exactly what, like a journal. Okay, do I feel like I'm like craving, like what's the word? Like, is it craving? Like I'm craving to trade or something, or like I just want to trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Like how do I feel? Do I want to trade? Do I feel like I'm fine sitting on my hands? What do I need to improve? What am I thinking? Like what are my emotions? Stuff like that, guys. That's how you guys should journal today, right? Because obviously, I'm sure most of you guys, if not all of you guys, are cash with me today. Because obviously, there's nothing. So journal down. Okay, today I saw no setup. Here's how the chart looks. There's no strategy here. There's nothing to take. I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling happy that I stay disciplined. Or it could be I'm feeling like I'm wanting to trade, but I'm sitting back. Stuff like that, guys. Journal it down. You don't understand how good that like how much it helps. You guys really don't understand. You guys really don't understand. And I can show you guys my journal from years back. Same way. Why didn't you take the 10 a.m. long inverse? No reasoning behind it, bro. We never took out liquidity. I didn't know what the bias was in the market. Not much I could have done there, bro. Not much I could have done there. In my opinion, if you feel like trading, if wait, MC. In my opinion, if you feel like trading, do a commentary trade. So if it goes green, you get the satisfaction of picking a good trade. No, guys, because okay, look, the reason I won't do commentary either today, guys, is because, like I said, I'm not here to just hand feed you guys trades. I will never give you guys a trade that I myself won't take. Although if I don't take it or not, right? Because remember, commentary trades, if I will not give it to you guys if I myself wouldn't take it. Obviously, like I said, guys, there's nothing in the markets. I'm not just gonna give out a commentary just for the fun of it to say that I took a trade today, because I didn't, right? And obviously, you guys are here to make money with me. I'm not gonna give you guys some BS trade to just, you know what I mean, to just put it out there, right? If there's nothing, I'm gonna show you guys the discipline it takes to not take the trade today. You know what I mean? Let me see. So your journal, I gotta get it. Let me get it right now. Let me catch up with the chat real quick and I'll get it. Blas, have you ever had a 9 to 5? Almost, but remember, I started trading at 15. So I remember I was gonna work. I applied to Home Depot, the one next to my house. But they never even got back to my application, so I just stuck with trading. And that week it worked out. And I remember my mom forced me to get a job because she was really mad at me. She's like, "No, you're gonna work." I'm like, "Oh, you know." But I'm really glad my mom supported me throughout my entire trading journey. Having a paper account where you can full port helps a lot. No, 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 no. Guys, do not feed into the dopamine of taking trades even if it's on a paper account. Why? Because it makes bad habits. You're trading in a market that's not tradable. What are you doing? You're getting used to trading in a market that's not tradable, which makes bad habits. And you're going to get very used to it just to feed into the dopamine. Guys, trading is not for fun, guys. Trading is to make money. Right? That's the whole point of the market. It's where money flows. Right? Do not feed into the dopamine of just taking trades just because you feel like it. Like I said, guys, once you guys start treating trading like a business, it's when it's going to start bringing you money like a business. If you're doing it for fun, obviously don't expect much from it. You get what I'm saying? Just chill out on that. Just learn, do other stuff, you know, outside of trading. It could be, I don't know, a side business, a 9 to 5, who knows, a clothing brand, anything. Just try to distract yourself from trading if the markets are bad. Don't feed into the dopamine because it's not going to help out in the long run. To use limit order? Nah, do market. Oh, bro, Zebi, bro, I just read the whole thing, bro. Yo, Blast, I'm headed to the gym, staying cash today. Have a good one, bro. Hey, bro, take it easy, my man. Take it easy, bro. Yeah, but guys, exactly. I'm not here to do commentary just to be like, oh, guys, yeah, we technically called that the market was gonna go up eventually. No, we're not here for that, right? I will never give you guys something that I myself won't take. Yeah, guys, hold on. Will this be on YouTube? Yeah, it is. I'm actually live trading on YouTube. Matter of fact, it's just a choppy market. Here, guys, let me go ahead and get my journal real quick. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Bro, I had that in my closet, bro. I had it in my closet. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me turn on my light. I gotta take a picture of this on my phone though. Hold on, guys. This is the day I started trading, guys. 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Look at this. Hold on. Let me take a picture of it. Peep this, guys. Hold on. Let me send this over. This is my journal from years back, guys. Years back. 4 years ago. This is my first ever trading journal. I sent it in the premium chat, guys. It really shows how far you can make. This is when I was trading patterns. I remember. Peep this, guys. Here, let me put up in the stream, guys. Look right here. This is my trading journal back then. It looks like a whole bunch of like nonsense. I know, but this is when I used to like trade like so trend lines, support and resistance, all that stuff. And I was 15 at the time, so you know I was like marking out strong breakouts, weak breakouts. You know, with the chop, you know, all that stuff. This is when I used to like journal my my discipline on when to stay cash and when to trade with breakouts and all that stuff. I would journal it. But yeah, this was from late 2020 when quarantine kind of ended. And then these were the like trendline patterns that I would trade, the breakouts. And if you guys don't believe me, yeah, in option alerts, here, let me delete this. In option alert, guys, this is like Everything here, this is from the journaling from years that I used to do. Everything here, like the breakouts, strong breakouts, how I would know how to trade. I had my own indicator that I scripted for strong breakouts. Everything, guys. I was really, really like into this craft. You guys don't understand, bro. You guys do not understand. I was really interested in this craft. But yeah, it shows. It shows, guys. It shows how far you can really make it if you journal. Thanks for learning new things about journal writing. I mean, this was old though. Keep that in mind. It was drawings. Those drawings. What age did you turn profitable? I remember it was the year before I went into senior year. It was the summer of senior year, or like before senior year. So I was probably 17. I'm 19 now, so yeah, like 17. I turned profitable. Like my account flipped from being red to green, and ever since then I started seeing green. I was 17 years old. 17 years old. That was when I turned profitable. From doing futures trading with you, all I've learned just to do. I mean, it's all good habits. You know what I mean? I will never teach you guys something that I personally don't agree with. Is the discipline factor like not trading in a bad market? Wait. Is this one factor like not trading back market? Did you think it was easier with futures or options? Definitely futures. I just had more I had more experience when I got into the futures market rather than options. Remember, I started with options and I moved over to futures 3 years later. But when did you start printing off futures? Pretty quick, honestly. Like, I think, like 4 months in, 4 or 5 months in is when I started getting payouts on futures. NQ does not want to follow. Yes, yeah, no, that's a very bad sign. That signs chop. What time is it? Oh, it's already 12, bro. It's already 12. I didn't even know, guys. I've been talking too much today, man. So you guys haven't stopped me. Hey, bro, take it easy, my man. Is that called SMT? Yes, it is. Yes. When one thing isn't following the other one, yes. We've been called it, bro. We're just here to talk and chill. Yeah, 100%, bro. I didn't know I was talking for that long, though. What happens? That's why, bro. Dead X. I'm gonna call you Dead X, bro. That's what I'm trying to say, bro. I'm not gonna be here forever, guys. You guys gotta understand that. To be honest, like trading brings in a lot of money, right? I mean, a lot of money to the point where I can get the opportunity to, buy properties and move on to that business model and, just kind of live off that, kind of passively. So obviously I won't be here forever. I'm not gonna deal with this constant stress for my entire life. That's an obvious thing. You're here till I die, bro. I bought lifetime. Okay, guys. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be here for a while. I'm gonna be here for a few years. Don't worry. Um, but no, like real shit though. Like when I retire, like hopefully, if I retire early, obviously I want to pass down something to you guys so you guys don't have to pay for these BS courses and follow some alert out there and not learn something, right? I want you guys to learn something that works because we all know that this works, right? And I'm trying my best here to really teach you guys every single day: discipline, emotions, trades, strategy, this. So when you guys feel ready in the markets, or when I leave or whatever, you guys don't have to pay a dime to anyone to make anyone else rich. For nothing. You know what I mean? I want you guys to be your own boss and trade whenever you want. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. That's the whole point. Because this is what I would have wanted when I first started, right? And people were just trying to sell me a fucking dream, bro. And every time you think about it, like, you know what I mean? Like, it feels like it gets you mad a little bit, because, like people sell a dream and, like like I would have bought it. I just didn't have money back then. Have you sold to 80, bro? Did you ever get scammed? I've definitely been scammed. Not in trading. But yeah, I've been scammed a lot of times. Bro got rug pulled. No, bro, I bought a fucking steering wheel for the BMW, and he's like, oh yeah, it'll fit in the F30. It'll fit in that 30. Bro, it was from an E chassis, bro, and it was $2,000. $2,000 for a fucking steering wheel. I'm like, bro, like my tuner saying that it won't fit. He's like, oh no, man, like nah, you already bought it, bro. I'm like, fuck. I'm like, bro, you know what? I'm not even gonna. When he said no, I'm like, you know what? I'm like, okay, bro, it's okay. I didn't even bother fighting. I didn't even bother because I knew it was gonna do nothing. What's your favorite M series? Mm, like the Chelsea's or like M3, M4? Honestly, I like M4s a lot, but one thing that one thing I've done, or one thing that has been growing onto me, is I think it's called the M8, the long ones. Like those cars are long. Yeah, the M8s. Like you don't really see them often, like ever, but they're really cool. Like they look long, but in a good way. Like they look really cool. The M8s. I will always prefer the M4s. I will always go for M4s, but M8s. And I know you guys don't hear that like ever. Yeah, it's like an elegant sports car. Like that car is long. That's just a limo. Like if you try parking, bro, your car's gonna hang out like by a long shot. Not ever you driven? I don't know, bro. Like I probably will never buy it, but I do like them when I do see them. But no one ever buys this. Like I'm sure the sales for this car is like horribly low because no one buys this shit. But it is cool though. It is cool. I like the M5. Let me see the M5. Oh hell no. This is ugly as hell. Nah, nah. I feel like the M5 is more like an old man car, like an old man sports car. M4 is more like for like youngins, you know, like young people, YNs. M4 comps are fire. Yeah, no. M5's nah, 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 nah. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think about the S class or Maybachs? Yeah, I do want to get. How do you guys pronounce it? Is it? I always say Maybach. Like I know it's not back. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I just Wines is crazy. But you know, I that's definitely one of my dream cars. Now, I kind of like the SUV more than the actual car. What do you guys think? Okay, if you guys were to get an, I'm gonna say Maybach, right? Would you guys get an SUV or would you guys get the regular car? I don't know, bro, because I already have like a sports car. You know what I mean? I don't really need another car like that. But you never know. I mean, shit, I'm young. You know what I mean? Like you know, who knows? Maybe you know, in the future, I'm gonna start a family eventually. You know, I will definitely get an SUV. 100%, bro. That thing is a house on wheels, bro. If you guys like, my dream SUV is either a G wagon. I love G wagons, just for the class of G wagons, matte black, everything. You know what I mean? Or a Maybach. 100%. Like, there's no other SUV I'll ever buy. The Maybach SUV also has the bounce on it. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. But imagine pulling up to like my son's school just bouncing. Any trades taken? Not nothing yet, bro. Look at the markets. Really, really ugly markets. Manzor. Okay, no. Now you're getting a little bit ahead of yourself, bro. You know what I mean? Now talking about Mansouri, bro. That's a little bit ahead. You know? I mean, shit. I'm all about setting unrealistic not like high goals. You know what I mean? But Mansouri, bro, you're talking half a million right there, bro. You're talking half a million right there. Right? Is it half a million? Maybe like 400k. Maybe 300, 400k. I might be overdoing it. At least we got levels tomorrow. 100%, bro. Yeah, no, we're good for tomorrow, guys. I'm sure we can get a trade tomorrow. 100, not 100%, but like I'm confident we can get a trade. I'm sure we can get Porsche K9. Let me see that one. Porsche. Okay, I've probably seen it. I just. How much do these go for? Like 50k, right? Yeah, 60-ish k. My mom wants to get one of these. I'm like, you know what, bro? I don't know. Well, not bro, but you know, I'm like, you know what? Cause she has the X6, the BMW X6, but not the comp, just like the regular one, like the base model. But it's a nice one. Like that shit is very luxurious. Is it worth the price? No. I mean, it's just a regular BMW, but it's cool, you know. Get a Defender Land Rover? Nah, I don't like Land Rovers. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't see what's special about those cars. soccer mom car? For real? For real? Gotta leave. I got a math test, bro. Don't worry, bro. You're not missing out on anything, bro. You're better off calling in a day. You know what I mean? You're better off calling in a day. 4x4s. Yeah, no. I don't know. I don't really think about Porsches and or Porsches or whatever you guys call it. In SUVs. You know what I mean? Now, if you're talking about a 911, now now if I were to ever trade in the C8, I already made myself the promise that it would have to be some sort of 911, some sort of 911. That's the only thing, because the C8 is too much of a good car that like upgrading from the C8 is really hard. But there's definitely better out there, like a 911. Now maybe a Lambo, but I don't know. I kind of like cars with class and are fun, and a 911 really fits that category. And it will smoke. I think 911s are faster than Lambos. At least some. 4-door AMG DT. Nah, it'll have to be 2-door. Yeah, a Porsche is like a sleeper, bro. Like, definitely a sleeper. I lost control. I'm 45 micros deep. Bro, what? You're in 45 micros in this price action, bro. Bro, just wrap it up, bro. You're done for, bro. You're done for. You're done for. GT3 RS, 100, bro. Guys, if I ever say no to a GT3 RS, just know I'm on like something's wrong in my head. Just know something's wrong in my head. I mean, to be honest, bro, who would ever say no to a GT3 RS? Let's be honest here. Not only is it an amazing investment, but the car is just so engineered, like to the perfect, like it's like what more can you add onto that car that will make it even more perfect than it already is? I only fuck with the Cybertruck, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. For copy trading, did you change the quantity on trading? Yeah, I do. I think I did have it at 1. I have it at 1. Bro, just look at that car, bro. How can you guys ever look at this and be like, nah, guys, look at this. Come on. It's like, what more can you add to this car that makes it perfect? Be honest here. Spoiler is gay? No. What? The spoiler adds onto the car. I've always been a spoiler guy. And the C8 that I have right now, that has no spoiler, I'm going to order one probably today to put a spoiler. And I want a big one. I want a big spoiler. I don't like that the baby spoilers. I want my shit to stand out. You know what I mean? David, would you ever start a fleet and rent your cars out in Miami? I have been thinking about starting a jet ski business. About renting out jet skis. You know how the people are in Miami. And I'm like, you know what? Honestly, I put a down payment and it pays itself off. You know what I mean? Like a side thing for the weekends, so I can make some money on the weekends. I've been thinking about it. I haven't started it yet, but it's definitely an idea that I have in the back of my mind. David, I actually rent jet skis and boat tours in Miami. For real? Bro, you have boats? Damn. Okay, be honest. In Miami, because we're talking Miami here. How profitable do you guys think the jet ski business is? I would say it's pretty like it all depends on how you market yourself. But when you have Instagram and like you're young and you know how Instagram works, I'm gonna say it's really fucking profitable. Like if you know how to work around during the summer, it's probably the best time. Not, bro, bro. If you go downtown right now and you go over to the waters, there's people out there on vacation right now on hundreds of jet skis. Jet skis are like 3K. Nah, but like, bro, I would say if you want people to buy it, you have to get the newest stuff, no? Because I mean, obviously, I don't want to write something that's like really old too. For 3K, they don't know. I guess, yeah. But in Miami, bro, they charge like 150. The lowest you can rent out for 1 hour in Miami is 150. 150 right there. That pays for like 1/4 of the monthly payment if you're financing it. It literally just pays off for itself, and that's for just 1 hour. Oh, I see the Spark, but that's just slow as hell. LC costs. Yeah, you're right. We're gonna dock them. Yep, yep, 100%. Blast boating service, bro. The matter, you think these stores know a pseudo spark is slow? Exactly. I mean, well, you're in Miami. They're like, bro, I just want to be in a jet ski so I can get the Instagram stories. To be fair, yeah, they don't give a shit. To be honest, they're just there to get the stories. You really think people like, it's all about Instagram, guys. It's Miami. Let's think here. It's Miami. It's all about Instagram here. It's all about Instagram and impressing and living the fake lifestyle. So, I'm sure they'll go near a oh, bro, Rickster, is that actually you, bro? I wouldn't even be surprised if that's you, bro. Lifestyle, yeah, no, bro, you'll be surprised, bro. Like the amount of fake stuff that happens in Miami, most of the Lambos that you see here, it's all fake. For example, you go on Instagram, you see this 19-year-old in a penthouse in Brickell. I don't want to be a hater, but let me break it to you guys. He's not the only one that lives there. I'm sure like 5 other people to record the same content live there, claiming that. Yeah, let's be honest. It's Miami, guys. It's Miami. It's Miami. If it's not rented, it's being financed, or it's being paid off for every month by like 5 different kids running the same clothing business. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. I mean, shit, you're still living in a penthouse in Brickell. It's just a sausage party in the house. You know what I mean? There's like 7 little kids in there, or not little, but like 19-year-olds, like young people. Bro. You know the two towers with the outdoor yeah, bro, of course I do, bro. That's where everyone lives. Everyone and their mothers live there. Well, yeah, I am 19 to be fair, KP. Um but I mean, the reason I'm saying like little is because I mean, bro, to be honest, not many young people um really live in a penthouse in Brickell at 19. Like there has to be a catch to it, unless you're really doing it. But it's Miami. Are you really doing it? Like you gotta question it sometimes. Let me see. And guys, the candles are getting slower and slower as we head into PM. 24 points. Yeah, just it's time to call it very soon, guys. I've met a lot of wealthy people via sailing. Oh yeah, yeah, that's definitely you'd be surprised. It's the really wealthy people that are the most humble. Like those people, like okay, you have people. Okay, look, you have rich and you have wealthy. Rich has ego. Wealthy is humble. You get what I'm saying? Like they will actually talk to you and give you advice. Unlike rich people, that they're like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna respond to you if you don't have X amount of money. You know what I mean? There's a difference there. There's a difference. Oh wait, let me see. Wait, what? How long does it take for the top step after you pass? Oh, it happens when the market closes at 7, like around 7, 7 to 9 p.m. EST. Bro, it's possible. Even with this Discord, it's been helping me pay my rent. I have a 1 bedroom, 1 bath in Brickell, and I rent it with my best friend. Oh, that's fire. Damn, bro. Wait, you're in Brickell? Damn. Are we talking like Brickell, or are we talking around Brickell, like the apartments there? Oh no, we're talking Brickell. Okay, okay. Yeah. I see the view outside. Yeah, how much do you pay for 2 people? What? Only? No way. There has to be a guy. Like, is that included with like? I'm sure you have HOA too, right? Well, yeah, obviously per person. Yeah, I mean, bro, you can't even get a shed in Miami for 1,200 a month. Is that included with HOA as well? Any setup? No, bro, nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. I ran 2 miles to Starbucks. You're always getting Starbucks every single day. Wealthy people don't gatekeep cause putting you on ain't gonna make a penny. Exactly. So when you see those Instagram people saying, "Oh yeah, I'll help you out," expect a pretty penny into their pockets, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. No, HOA is 700. Okay, so you're paying 1,900, right? A month, included with HOA. Bro, that is insanely good. For Brickle, 1,000. Wow, bro, that is crazy. Like that is a blessing of like of monthlies, of like monthly rent. That is really really good. Like really good. Like I'll probably never move out if anything. Damn. I was thinking about getting an apartment to start off, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. There's a new area that I want to go move into. Maybe next year, maybe in 2 years. Where you can literally buy a full on mansion for 300K, and I'm saving every penny to pay out that house off in cash. When you have one have kids, once I have my property, I would say. So maybe in 2 years. You never know. Come up here to New York City, where 2 bedrooms, 1,200 square foot, 7K. I mean, bro, it's New York, to be honest, bro. Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. Price is moving for real? Bro, no it is not, bro. It looks like it's moving, but bro, measure the candles, bro. Measure the candles. It can't even break 20 points. Come on now. Yeah, but a lot of people wouldn't pay $700 HOA for an apartment they bought. That's the problem down here. Yep, big time, especially in Brickell. Especially in Brickell. But yeah, no, I was thinking about going to Brickell as well, or not Brickell. Maybe like I'm more of a beachside view apartment type of guy. Like I love the beach. You guys don't understand. Every weekend I go to the beach. Every single weekend to get some fresh air. Walk around, the beach. Thing is what's it called? 100 meters or 100 miles? Thing is, it's like my mom is saying that like if you buy an apartment, you're kind of just spending money. Like you're better off just with the money that you're gonna put into the apartment, just buy a house. I'm like, you know what? Like it's not something I want to do, but it is a smart thing to do. You know what I mean? Because obviously I'm not gonna live in an apartment my entire life. I might as well don't rent. Yeah, no. If I get a house, guys, you don't understand. I'm saving every. Sure, I might have had a what's it called a guilty pleasure of buying the CA because I mean, bro, you know what I mean? Um, I mean, I kind of want to pay off myself off, for the work that I've been doing for the last years, for the last few years. But other than that, I've been saving every single penny that I make off trading, off affiliates, off Discord, off everything, and I'm gonna make sure that I buy this house that I want in cash. Hopefully next year. Hopefully next year, maybe 2 years. But yeah, no. My mom is like, no, don't do apartments. Do not do apartments. You know what I mean? Bought a house 10 years ago outside of Denver, 285K. Now with over 600K. Bro, you see what I mean, bro? Buying cash is dumb, for real? Well, my property, like the property that I want to live in, I want to do cash. Now, when it comes to doing real estate, like renting out to other people, I'll do, of course, I'll finance it, obviously, right? Because it'll just pay itself off. The rich never use their own capital. Well, yeah, I know that, yeah. But I don't know if I have the cash laying there. What do you say? Like I just like get a bank loan and I just pay it off monthly, 100%. I guess I'll do that then too. Finance for 30 years. Yep. Okay. Yeah. I'll do that. I'll do that. I've always been a buying cash type of guy though. You know what I mean? So I'm more used to that. So that's why I have that saying. Um, you can get a loan with a 6% interest rate, and you can make 10% profit on what you use the loan for. Oh, you mean by like renting it out to other people? Well, yeah, I know that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying, Daniel. The house you live in should be paid off. You sleep better. But it's like pros and cons to it. You know what I mean? Did you buy the Corvette in cash? But right off, I put most down. I put 45K down. Pretty much half of it down. And the rest I'm gonna pay it off in 10 months so I can get better credit. You guys gotta understand, I'm 19, I don't have credit, so I talked to my mom. I'm like, look, I'm gonna get this car mainly for write-offs, for content, of course, to enjoy the car, and to obviously build my credit. So when I get the house, I have A1 credit, all good to go. But yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna write it off. The thing is, it's more of a luxurious type of car, so you can only write off um depreciation. Right, the first year is $20,000, second year is like 16K, third year is like 11K, and then the rest is like 6K in write-offs, from what I understand. Let me see. Let me catch up with the chat real quick, guys. Hold on. Yeah, the house you live in is so much better in cash because you're gonna live there and raise your family. Exactly, exactly, exactly. That's the thing. You don't have anyone up, just bothering you. I don't know. Like I said, there's pros and cons to it. I'm still trying to learn about real estate, so I'll see which option is better. But when I invest into into like renting it out to other people, now that is going under finance, 100%. I will never put cash into something I'll give to someone else. Blas, how much? How does the trading drawdown work again on the PA accounts? Same way. You make money, and the trading goes up, right? It only goes up from the peak account. Like if the account ever went to like, for example, the highest the account's ever gone to is $50,100. Once you break that 50,100, your trading will start trading up again. But if you're under that number, the trading will just be frozen. But yeah, let me see. Fire trade, bro. I was watching the whole time. Let me see. Bro, what? Twisted, what did you catch for $1,000 here, bro? The market has barely moved. Well, it did move 40 points, to be fair. It took some time, though. When do you consider for value gap to be filled and removed from the chart? Well, you said it in the sentence, bro. Once it's filled. Bro, how are you still on live? Bro, I've been yapping and just talking about like, I don't even know, like, just everything. But yeah, WE, is it way trades? Right? Way trades? When a fair value gets filled, it's when it looks like this, for example, like this, right? It's filled once this gap is closed, and then you just delete it. Like this, for example, it closed right here. You just delete the gap. What's the fastest you've driven in your car? I've gone the fastest. The car has 194 max. Now, will I ever go 194? No, I do not have the balls to go 194. No, the fastest I've gone is I think it's like 140. Because I was doing a pull and I just would not let go of the gas. Um, but I probably will never go to 194. That I am too scared to go. Yeah, no, I know it is. It's governed, but the max is 194, which is fucking crazy. I've never been in a car that goes nearly 200 miles an hour. Never. And I probably will never go that fast. Don't exactly. Not worth it. Yeah, it's not. It's really not worth it. Now, I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb. You need to go to the. Oh, trust me, guys. I am going to the track. I'm setting up the car. I'm still trying to break it in. It says you can go to the track after 1,500 miles. Bro, I did 164 on a Mustang, and bro, and you feel like you feel the steering and you feel the wind getting on you, bro. It's really scary, really scary. I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb, guys. You guys have to understand that. Remember, I have my mom to come home to, so I'm definitely not gonna do that. Before, no, for the Corvette they have it engineered to where it's after 500 you could redline it. I mean, shit. I hope so because I if I have to go do groceries down the street, I will find a way to redline it and do a pull into the grocery store. So I'm hoping the transmission just doesn't just blow up. But yeah, do you have, yeah, I do, bro. Yes. But yeah, after 500, it's already broken in, and then for the track day, since the engine's gonna get a lot of stress and labor into the engine, obviously it needs to be a lot more broken into. So 1,500 is what they suggest. But if you want to do pulls and all that stuff, with any new car, I'm sure it's after 500. Obviously, the more, the safer. But who gets a C8 to drive it like an old person for 1,500 miles? I'm not here for that. I'm here to floor it, you know. So, you know. But yeah, let me see. How smooth does it feel when you're going around the curve fast? Um, it's smooth. I'm just not used to the steering wheel. The block steering wheel. That's not my thing, bro. If I could change it, I would. I probably could, but that like square steering wheel. I see why it's a thing though. I mean, the car is meant for. It's a track car, you know. Like it's meant to have good grip on the steering. I would assume, but definitely not my cup of tea. Now, one thing I'll tell you is if you're taking a curve really fast, the ABS or the traction control is really fucking good. It's really, really good. Which model C8? The Stingray. Stingray 1LT. It's like the most base model car that you could possibly get. I kind of cheaped out on that, which I kind of regret a little bit, but I don't. Because the car is still amazing. You just don't get like the extra features like the roof coming off by itself. Now that is annoying because I have to do it by myself, but can you really complain? You know? But yeah, no. The traction control is really good because 2 days ago I was taking a really hard corner in the highway because I was turning to take the exit, and the car was like, it was stopping. Like obviously the traction control was going off, but the reason it goes off is because I guess the car, maybe the weight, because it's a mid-engine car. Um, the tires they squeak a lot when you take turns, because I guess too much weight on the car or something. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I'm not too much of a car mechanic like or an engineer like that. But anytime you take a hard turn, like this. Look, let me show you guys. Hold on. Like this. Let me show you. So like this, for example. I'm sure you guys can hear my screen, right? I would hope you guys can. Look. So in this one right here, let me see if it loads. Okay. Oh yeah, that's me, bro. That's your boy David, boy Blastoise. But yeah, right here, you guys can hear it squeak, right? And I barely even turned. No, 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 I barely even turned. I barely even turned. But look, hear this, hear this. Like you guys can look at the steering. I barely turned. I just tapped the gas, and I almost lost control. Or I kind of controlled it, but you know, like you guys get the idea. Peep this. You hear it like it squeaks, and I just took a light turn. Okay, to be fair, I did tap the gas quite a bit, but that's what you get for like the control is like it's kind of like whatever. It's good steering. Exactly. Yeah. The suspension is very stiff, bro. Like you know, you're just spinning the wheels. Yeah. 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 Kind of did, but I barely tapped the gas though. Like not even halfway. The ABS doesn't allow the wheels to spin? Well, it depends. It depends. It depends. It depends on the situation that you're in. Was it instant? Oh, bro. Here, guys. But yeah. You know, you guys don't understand how much I want to do donuts in the C8, but bro, I can't, bro. Those wheels are probably they're 500 a piece, bro. I rather just take it to the track. You know, I'll have my fun there. Bro, what? Bro, how are these? How do you guys find a way to make these pictures even worse than they possibly are already, bro? Bro, how did you do this, bro? David, am I done for the day? Yeah. I'm not gonna do PM because of earnings. Remember, orange fish. So the market is probably gonna stay as choppy as it is right now for the entire day. Yeah, yeah. So I'm just here, just talking, you know, just catching up with you guys. Just because I have nothing better to do. But guys, what, bro? What is this? How? Oh, bro, you guys are something else, bro. Don't we should just pay for maintenance? Yeah, 100%, 100%. Bro, you only have one pick on Instagram? Yeah, yeah. I'm not one to really post too much. I don't really care about Instagram all that much either. I might, bro. I love to see that, bro. Set those goals, bro. Is that a what's it called? Revolt? What is it? I know it's just an R, right? Or is that? Or is this? It's either an R or a T. It's either an R or a T that I start. Yeah, the bro, bro, the Renault Revolto. Yeah, that's what it's called. There it is. Yeah, Revolto. Yep, there it is. That one. That one's nice. Now, if I were to ever get a Lambo, it would definitely be. Let me see if I can pronounce it right. The Huracan. That car is it's a Toyota. If a Toyota was a supercar, it will be that car. That thing does not break. You can abuse the car for years upon years, and it will not break on you. That car will outlive you, if anything. For the mentorship, how much time do you have available to work with individuals who are in it? Usually a few hours a day, actually. A few hours a day. I recently got a new one recently, so yeah, I'm gonna do some classes today with them, but that's more in the nighttime, like around 8 p.m. EST. Does anyone have earnings calendar that updates like Forex Factory? Yeah, search up, go on Twitter and search up earnings whisper, earnings whisper on Twitter. They give out daily earnings. Bro, you trying to trade this, bro? Where's the book, guys? It's getting posted today, guys. Well, it should be getting posted today. Dream car, bro. I would actually drive that. Is there an app to track it? Yeah, go on Twitter, or actually they have a website. They have a website. Did you try to sleep in your first car when you got it? In the BM. Okay, I had a Honda. I used to sleep in school. Yes, I used to sleep in the parking lot in school. And the BMW, obviously, yeah, in the back. I slept, or in the front as well. In the C8, you do not have you don't have room to really you can't even move in that car. What do you mean try? I'm already in. Oh hell no, bro. What are you doing, bro? Not this market, bro. Not this market. For sure coming out tonight. It should be. It should be. Yeah, I have everything. Just adding finishing touches to it. There are plenty of aftermarket parts to get in the state. Yeah, I'm gonna get a supercharger, but that's when the warranty's up, and that's a $20,000 mod. So I gotta. Right now, I'm not in the space to mod that car. It's fast enough already. I need to save for a property, bro. But maybe in the future. Maybe in the future. Or maybe I get a Z06. Because they are cheap right now. They're trying to get rid of the inventory. There's too much. No one's buying them. So why supercharge that one when I can just trade it in and get a Z06? You could buy a whole car without. That's what I'm saying, bro. But hey, you know you've come so far already. Why not make it a little bit faster? David, mark my words. My next payout. Wait, hold up. Chat went too fast. David, mark my words. My next payout will go into getting this car. I need it. Which car? Bro, I saw that car in downtown, but it was fully modded, bro. Orange guts and everything. It was super nice. Now, would I drive that one? Probably not. But it is really cool. I do like it. I do like that car. That car's beautiful. Are we in a trade? Are we waiting for one? Nah, bro. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. The markets are too choppy. They're too bad. Not tradable. So I'm just here chatting up with everyone. So I'm having a good time. But yeah. But yeah, but you guys don't understand. I kind of feel a little bit bad for Krabi. Because, guys, you guys don't understand. Going over 2, of course, obviously, we're all human. We've gone over 2. That shit is mentally draining. Especially when you did it on live with other people looking. It's really, really fucking draining. Really draining. And especially when there's chop. So, hopefully tomorrow's the markets are good. Tomorrow the markets are good for both me and Krabi. He's 2 for 2. No, he's 0 for 2. He took 2 scalps. He tried taking 2 scalps, but the market was too choppy. That's why I'm personally cash today. Get him in. Nah, he's in a call with my other friend Lonzo. They're just chatting. They're probably playing Fortnite right now. Nah, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. Tomorrow we'll be back. Let me see. My business partner is a fucking savage. He got this 2015 Huracan for 170K of some rich old dude at the shop. His wife was calling him a fuckboy for buying it. Flip right now, bro. That thing is, bro. I would sell a kidney for that car. I'm being so for real with you. Like right now, if you gave me the choice to sell a kidney for that car, I would I wouldn't even hesitate. I would say, bro, take whatever you need. Take whatever body part you need. Give me that car, bro. Black with a carbon fiber hood, bro. That thing is beautiful, bro. 40K carbon fiber package, bro. What car do I have? I have a 2024 C8 Corvette, bro. We need him to feature in the live. I mean, bro, if you guys want it, I'll do it. Guys, I'm all about live trading. You guys know that. I'm all about live trading. So if you guys want someone to come up and trade live with us, let's do it. Let's do it. Give me someone you guys want. I have some connections in the trading space. I'm not talking like connections like TJR, but I have connections like, I mean, with small, like maybe Krabi, Lanto. You guys might know Desi, maybe RP. Who knows if you'll do it? It's kind of like the Kamala Harris of trading. Like it avoids the the interviews. But hey, if he's down for it, I'll do it. Maybe he gets some trades out. Who knows? Who knows? Wait a minute. Have you met RP before? I have. Yeah, he's a really cool dude in real life. He's really really cool. Yeah, yeah, bro. But yeah, bro, guys, give me someone that you guys want to live trade. Of course, they can't be huge. Like we're talking TGR, Alex G, Mamba FX. Obviously, I can't get those people in this Discord. But if you guys want like a smaller trader like me, to be to do like a collab trade, um, I'll be down to do it. Lanto would for sure do it. That's my boy. Lanto is one of my good, like really really good friends. Krabi, we've done a million and one live streams together with Krabi. So you guys already know the deal with Krabi. He's an amazing trader, amazing guy. So that, I mean, bro, I don't know how he trades, bro. I really don't. What about Stefan trades? Honestly, that one is good. Let me see, Mithy. Mithy, I've never heard of him. Mithy. Let me see. Nah, I've never heard of him. What's his YouTube? Guys, give me some suggestions. I'm super down to make it like an entertaining live trading session with anyone that you guys want. I'm for sure down for Stefan trades. That guy is the most humble guy. Like I really like his energy. I'll matter of fact, let me hit him up. I'll hit him up on Instagram. Oh, you know who we could do, guys? Do you guys know Decrypt? We're really good friends. Bro, that GTR is, bro. What does your friend do, bro? Whatever he does, I need to get in that. Bro, you grade the willing you nah, but to make it entertaining, you know what I mean? Invite Tory trades. I already know Rickster's gonna go crazy, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Dodgy trades. I have connections to him. Yeah, I could probably get him on, but he's always doing his own live trading, so I don't know about that. Do Alex G? Nah, I can't. He's too big. Get Dodgy in here? Yep, I know about Dodgy. Yeah. Yep, I probably could. Cause Lanto and Karabi, they're really good friends with Dodgy. I'm not really too close to Dodgy like that, but I could definitely get in contact with him if you guys want a collab trade. Like not a collab trade, but like a traders all in one. You know what I mean? All in one thing, and who knows? Or Decrypt. Yeah, no, Decrypt. We're really good friends. Me and Decrypt, we follow each other on Instagram. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Followers. Decrypt. Yep, right here. Decrypt. We're pretty good friends. I used to alert in his server. Matter of fact, when I first started trading, he invited me over to a server. He's like, bro, build an audience from me, and move on with your life, bro. He helped me start. We're really good friends. So if you guys ever want a collab trade with Decrypt, I can for sure make that happen. I can for sure make it happen with Lanto. I can for sure make it happen with Krabi. It's like a 50-50 with Dodgy, but I could probably make that work if I do some good convincing. Who else? I could PB trading, maybe PB trading. Are you talking about the brothers? Or are you talking about the little kid, like the 15-year-old? There's two of them. There's the two guys. Okay, the two guys. I could probably get in contact with them. Of course, we have to work numbers. I have to be like options buffet. Hell no, I'd rather not, bro. No, collab with me, bro. I mean, fuck it. Bring me on stage and we could trade together. Money motive? Nope, not happening. Why not options buffet? Pump number. I'm not trying to involve myself with that illegal shit. I'm good. Not happening for sure. Chloe C trades. I think I've heard of them. I think. Bro, did you just put your whole last name, bro? As your YouTube? Stock market wolf? I've never heard of that. But yeah, I can definitely get. I'm gonna hit up. You guys wanted Dodgy, right? Johnny Options legit. I don't know who he is. I've probably seen him, but I don't really know. But I could probably do. Okay, yeah, I'll hit up Dodgy. I'll do Lonto. I'm in a group chat with him. Like he'll respond instantly. That's my boy. Um, and I'll see if Decrypt wants to work with something. The thing is, he does options. He does fair value gaps as well, but he does it with options. But yeah, we can get some collabs going, guys. I can make these live trading sessions a little bit more entertaining. Um, and we just have fun. Just like today, we've been talking all day for like 3 hours now. It's already gonna be one, guys. I gotta call it, bro. Oh my, it's already gonna be one. It was 11 a second ago. Yo, David, what's the daily loss limit that you set on yourself? $500 a day. If I lose any more than 500, I call it a day. Go change your tire, bro. These people do not want to pick up. I gotta go to. If you guys live in Miami, you guys know I gotta go to Kendall. What's your risk reward usually? Minimum of a 1 to 2. 1 to 2. How many trades a day? 2 max. No more than that. I can't see group trading on mobile. They don't have it. It's not a thing on mobile. Unfortunately, it's only for a computer. Let me see, bro. Why don't you just turn on your camera, bro? Because when I wake up, bro, the last thing I'm trying to do is do my hair. So right now, as we speak, I have bedhead, and I'm very lazy, so I'm not trying to fix that. So yeah. So well, it depends. Also, it depends. It depends. Some days I'll be, 0 for 1. I'll just call it. What about this guy? Heard he's a scammer. Oh yeah, he's a, yeah, he's up. He's pumping dubs. Bro, you can clip farm like TGR. But I kind of want to be myself. I'm more of a talker. I talk a lot, a lot. I mean, we've been on here for 3 hours just talking about nonsense. Well, not nonsense, but Bro, TGR literally went on stream with a Joker costume and it was trading. Bro, that shit was fun. I don't know if you guys saw that part. Yeah, there it is. Bro, now that, bro, I would do that shit, bro. Yeah. Bro, this is fucking crazy, bro. He popped up on live trading with a Joker costume and he started speaking like the Joker. Bro. He literally stayed in character the whole time, bro. Like, how can one do that? Should I do it for tomorrow for Halloween? I mean, I don't know. I'll probably surprise you guys. I'm not gonna say anything. I mean, tomorrow is Halloween, to be fair. It should be Batman. I mean, I don't know. I gotta go to a mall. I'll see. I'll surprise you guys. I'll surprise you guys for sure. Scrooge McDuck. Oh yeah, for the money. They was gonna drop as RP. Nah, I'll probably do. I don't know. I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'll figure something out. I'll figure something out. Bro, imagine if I do. What's your Apex code? It's called Blastoise, bro, for 80% off. What I would do maybe would be, I don't know if you guys know the Terrifier, right? You guys know the Terrifier, Art the Clown. You know how he doesn't talk? I'll probably just do that. I'll probably just look at the camera and just smile for the entry. That'll be pretty cool. Oh hell no, bro. These is only more popular because he posts a lot on social. Yeah, for sure. Bro, you guys don't know. I literally knew TGR before he blew up. I knew TGR before he even had 1,000 subscribers. I remember. It's when I used to do options. He, like, the amount of fame that he got in such a short amount of time, like, he deserved it. He really deserved it. To be honest, he really deserved it. Like, he deserves everything. He's humble. He's funny. He's entertaining. He's a good trader. He actually trades. He's not fake. He's not a guru. I mean, what can you hate about him? And he's a really good mentor. On top of that, you can't forget about that. He's a really good guy. Crypto millionaire. Yep. He's a good millionaire. He's not one with a high ego. Like if you see him out in Miami, which I'm hoping to see soon. Hopefully I can build a connection with him. And you never know, guys. You really never know. But he will like literally talk to you. Like he will have a whole conversation with you, and he's super humble. Why are all these good traders in Miami? I mean, bro, it's Miami. Come on now. When you think of Miami, what do you think about? Money and traders, and rappers. I wonder who's the one with the high ego. Definitely not me. I try to. I don't know. Maybe it's a high ego thing saying that I don't have a high ego. I don't know, but I try to respond to all of you guys. I mean, shit, I've been reading the chat for the last 3 hours all morning. You know, trying to catch up with you guys. Let alone the hundreds of DMs I have waiting to be responded to. So yeah. Which platform is this, bro? I know you don't prefer to be on social media like that, but and I fully respect it. But let's be honest, if you're on social media like TGR, you'll be just as popular, bro. The thing is, I tried social media. It's just that I have to get into social media with a manager. Like I don't have time to edit my own things, which is why I fell out of love with social media. First of all, I'm super shy, um, and I just don't have time. But if I'm more prepared with social media, like with a social media manager, where they edit the videos, post it, manage the comments and all that stuff, um, I'll probably do it again. I'll give it one more shot. David, what do you think about not trimming till 40 points and break even? Um, you could do that. There's nothing about that. Yeah. Get out of that comfort zone, bro. I'm trying, bro. It's definitely a work in progress. Nothing wrong with that, with an ego, especially when you work hard to get where you are. I don't know about that, bro. Like, I don't know if I get this feeling, but guys, with me, I don't know. When I drive the C8 around and people look, I get anxious. I just don't like people looking at me like that. I don't like the attention like that. I don't know if it's a thing. And I'm not trying to sound like someone that's like, oh, imposter syndrome. What is that? Let me search it up. Imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is ongoing fear that they're gonna be found out or unmasking and incompetent or able. Yeah, that's what it is. I just don't like, cause you guys don't understand. My family came from Cuba. Nothing yet? No, bro. Nothing at all, bro. Look at the market. You guys gotta understand, bro. When I first came to America, or not America, to Miami, from Cuba, I used to live in an efficiency, so I really came from nothing, and obviously it's hard work, with my mom and I and all that stuff, but I really came from nothing. I don't care if anyone robs me. That's not my fear. Like that's the last thing I think about, you know. I feel like I can defend myself if I'm getting robbed. Now at gunpoint, I don't know, but you know. Would you want worldwide fame? No, 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 no. I do not want worldwide fame at all. Like, even bro, when there's 400 of you guys in here, I'm like, damn. I would have never imagined. Let alone worldwide fame. I do not want that. I want to be low key. I don't want to be known. I don't want to go out on the street and be like, yo, is that David? I don't want that. I really don't want. I don't like that. Like I said, I don't like attention, and especially with when I'm drinking. I'm not trying to sound like anyone. I'm saying, oh, like I drive a C8, but I just don't like being seen. I love the car. Don't get me wrong. I just don't like when people look at me like that. I don't like the attention. Wait, have you guys been on since this morning? Yes, bro. We have not gotten off. I don't know how, but we have not gotten off. Yo, bro. Let me see. You got a strap? I'm not gonna answer that just in case you guys find me and probably rob me. So, I mean, maybe I do, maybe I don't. I don't. That's an answer for whoever to find out. It's better if I don't answer that part. Maybe it's just surreal to you that trading on a computer got you so much stuff. It's not that, because that's hard work. It's just how far I've come. Like if you told me like when I first started trading, or a year ago or 2 years ago, that I would be here with 400 people on a live, maybe even 500, because on YouTube, right? 400 on premium and 100 on YouTube. 500 people watching me live trade on a screen. I would have been like, bro, get the fuck out of here. Especially with the C8, I would have been like, bro, like, stop the bullshit. I would have never imagined, and it's crazy. Like, I really would have never imagined like the opportunity that I got to really blow up, or not blow up, like grow. You got hands? Yeah, I would say so. The showering training. When you're in the shower doing nothing. If I see you, I'm buying you a beer. Fuck it, bro. I should carry an AR-15. Okay, well, I don't have the space for that. But do you like combat sports? I've wanted to get into boxing, just for the fun of it, so I can build more discipline. But I never got to it because I don't have time. I really don't. But yeah, my friends, they do boxing. And I just like the idea of training. Like, I want to be prepared. You never know. You scared of something, bro? That's what I'm saying, bro. Like an AR-15, bro. What? Like maybe like a pistol. That's about it, bro. But an AR, bro. I drive my tank as my daily driver, just in case. You never know, bro. You never know. How do I connect my funded to Tradevate? When you buy it, go over to Apex, go to the dashboard, and at the bottom right, you're gonna say it's gonna say Tradevate account. Just copy the username and password and log into Tradevate. You'll be fine. David, for real, the reason I started following you seriously was because of how humble. I mean, well, I don't know. Have you ever lost a street fight? Bro, I've never been in a street fight. I'm not a person that looks for drama. Guys, in middle school and high school, I literally have a picture. Hold on, where is it? Guys, can you imagine this kid right here? Hold on. Collections, favorites. Let me find it. Hold on. Can you guys imagine this kid right here to fight someone? Look. Hold on, let me put my screen share. Can you hold on? Can you imagine this kid getting in a street fight? Bro, I was in the back of class playing Fortnite, bro. Come on, I've never really been in a fight, like ever. And if I have, it's probably like a slap fight against my friend if I got mad or something. That's about it. I'm not a person that really looks for drama like ever. Like ever. Like I do not look for drama. I do not care. I kind of just stay in my own lane and I just do my own stuff, which it has brought me far. Big time. Big time far. Why you look mad, bro? Cause I was focused, bro. I think I was playing Clash Royale in that picture, and I was getting really mad. But yeah, no, it's crazy. Like when you guys really focus on yourself and you don't like stay. If you guys stay in your own lane, you will be very surprised how far you come by just focusing on yourself and staying quiet. By the way, staying quiet, staying quiet. You was cute, bro. Bro. Good grades, of course, bro. Of course. I won't beat my ass if I didn't, bro. I came from Cuba. Keep that in mind. Bro's blushing now. I mean, I came from a guy, so not really. David, can you swim? Yep, pretty good. Pretty good. Really good, actually. Favorite subject in high school? It wasn't a subject, it was a class. Because I would never really pay attention in school. I just escaped Cuba. Bro, I did not escape Cuba, bro. I had a passport. You know, like, bro. Let's hear Spanish. No, not right now, bro. No. It's good, but you know. Oh, then why do people swim? I mean, well, that goes with anything. That goes with, you know. I mean, no sabo kid, bro. No. I'm pretty fluent, bro. Anyways, bro, not everyone that comes from Cuba comes in a like swimming, bro. Oh my god. Bro. You still wear glasses? Not really, no. Not really. Do you really think anyone can make it in trading if they apply it? Bro, obviously. Duh. Bro, yeah, of course. You just getting the pre-workout? Bro, send the link, bro. Send the link. Send the link. I know you said you like the beach, but have you ever been to a spring before? Yeah, I think I have. Yeah. I love you guys. Bro, YouTube is saying Tory trades. You guys want Tory trades in the stream? I'll try, man. No promises with that one, but when is it? I don't do discounts for mentorships, bro. Sorry. It's only for just send it in the chat, bro. Yeah, we don't even trade the same. That's the thing. Now, if it's like Decrypt or Dodgy or Lonto or Krabi, yeah, I'll for sure do them because you know they trade the same strat. Sour mood, bro. We gotta blow this up, bro. We gotta blow this up. And so far, guys, we've been in the charts. So far, nothing, man. I mean, are you really even surprised? Bro, Leo said toy trades fine as hell. Bro. I mean, not my type. Not my type. You ever race in the C8? Yep. Scat packs, Mustangs. That's all I've gotten for now. What else? Definitely scat packs, bro. I eat that shit for lunch, bro. Yeah, bro, obviously, yeah. It's a scat pack. That's just like £1,000,000. Mustangs. It's there, you know. Like I'd be surprised. Like with 5.0s, like I just barely get them. Surprising. I thought it was gonna be a lot faster than 5.0s. But bro, good answer, bro. No, but 5.0s, um, what's it called? They have some competition, to be honest. Yeah, maybe because they're tuned. Yeah, they could be, but they definitely bring up a fight. I still beat them stock, but just barely. Now, a 911 trying to race me, that thing got me like no other car. I have not ever seen a gap so much like that. So I'm gonna stay away from Porsches, right? But Mustangs, Scat Packs, maybe Hellcats on a pool or like on a not a roll, uh, a dig. That's what it's called, right? A dig. I could probably beat them there, but on a roll like a 40 roll, Scat Pack will beat me by a few inches. A few inches, yeah. I mean, a Hellcat. I said Scat Pack. Hellcat. Hellcat will probably beat me by a few inches. Now, Scat Pack, definitely out of the picture. That thing is gap. Like, that thing's going on the gap cam, bro. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Do you know how to drive manual? Nah. I've never really driven manual. I know how to do paddle shifters, which is obviously easy. It's like a fucking controller. But manual, no, never. I do want to learn it, but I have never done it. If I do learn manual, I'll probably buy myself a drifting car, a drift car, like a project car. That's what I meant. I definitely do want to get one because I don't know too much about engines or modding it or any of that stuff. But I definitely want to learn more about engines. And what better way to do it than learning by yourself and trial and error, just like trading. You blow up an engine, maybe one or two, and you learn why it happened. Do you know Trader? Of course I know No Trades, bro. What? How can you not know No Trades, bro? He's amazing, an amazing guy. Now, can I get a collab with him? Definitely not. That dude is huge. He's so busy, but he's an amazing guy. I love No Trades. Yes. What else? What else? Um, um, what other car? Oh, Camaros, gone. Camaros, gone. Well, not gone, but they put up a fight. No, now a Z01, I think that is faster than the C8. I think. But anything other than the Z01, gone. They put up a fight like a Mustang, but I'm still beating them. Bro, what the? Bro, I saw that, bro. Oh my. Bro, I'm just gonna C bro, I saw that, bro. Anyways, C63, E63, or GT63. Hmm. Maybe GT363. Bro, I saw that. I'm like, what? It took me a second to like. You got it. I have not raced them yet. Not that any have tried me yet. It's kind of like a thing that like I kind of okay. You guys know on the C8 how or with any car you guys hold both paddles and you could rev it. You guys know what I'm saying. So what I do is when I see one, I give it like a light rev. They hear it and they're down for it. You know what I mean? And then I just go. But I haven't tried it with any C6 or not any 63s at all. Now I definitely want. You got the 5% tint? No, bro. I'm on a fishbowl still, bro. I'm still on a fishbowl. Honestly, I don't know if I want to tint the C8. I might though. I might. It's like a must. Um, what else? What else? What else? What else? Is it too hot here? It's too hot here not to tint? Yeah, exactly. Especially in Miami. You got it? Nah. I mean, I haven't tried it. I haven't tried it. What else? What else? What other car would I want to try? So we have Camaros, Mustangs, Scat Packs. Those are all out of the picture. BMWs. That's what it is. Now, I think, I think a BMW is faster. I don't know. I have not tried it yet. Maybe an M4 might be slightly fast. Maybe the new ones are faster. The old ones, probably not. Probably not. Bro, I just posted some new shit. DDG2 hit. What? You got D. Okay, bro. You gotta be careful because DDG. He's very trolled in the community. So, be careful. Be careful. But bro, that is huge, bro. Bro, yeah, no, DDG. They make fun of him a lot. So, You know, it's huge, but you know what I mean. But that's amazing, bro. That is amazing, bro. I know. That's probably why they stare, bro. Like, bro, people will turn their like they'll be driving on the opposite side of the road, and they're cruising, you know, like just giving them the side eye, and they turn their head like they've never seen it before. Are we doing PM? No, bro. No. I'm gonna call it soon. Like, bro, they look at you with like. Okay, you guys know the Smile movie? That's how they look at you, like at least for me. Like, it's like creepy, bro. They like turn their heads while driving. I'm like, bro, like pay attention to the road. That movie was fire. The second one, the first one was better than the second one. The second one was really fucking good though. I suggest you guys watch it. I suggest you guys watch it. That thing is good, really good. My gamble Apple puts. Do it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Apple earnings, or is it today? No, it's tomorrow. Today is what's today? Let me see. Today we have earnings for Microsoft and Meta. Honestly, Meta has more of a hit rate with the options rather than Microsoft. Microsoft doesn't really move all that much. But if you want to make a quick cash on a gamble, do Meta. Do Meta. And then for tomorrow, try to do Amazon over Apple. Apple doesn't really move with earnings, but Amazon definitely does. So if you guys want to gamble, try your luck and all that stuff and put some money on the line, do Meta. Do Meta and Amazon. Yeah. The second one was like that thing was my bro. The jump scares on the second movie, it's like it's expected, but it's so expected that it's unexpected. You get what I'm saying? Like the second guys, if you guys are like I suggest it, Smile 2. That movie's amazing. Really fucking good movie. Like it's like you know it's gonna jump scare you, but they know that you know, so they wait, and it's so expected that it's like I don't know how to explain it. It's so expected that it's unexpected. The one that really got me, bro, the one that really got me was when she was sleeping with her friend and she's smiling at her, right? And it just keeps flickering. It's like smile, the lady, smile, the lady, smile, the lady, right? And I'm like, yo, when is the jump scare gonna happen? It's been like this for a minute, and it just keeps jumping across them, and then out of nowhere, it's the most unexpected thing. It's like you expect it, but it's so unexpected that it was like her eyes and her mouth was a car, and bro, that shit got me, bro. Like I literally screamed, bro. You don't understand, bro. That movie's really good. Not gonna lie, the scariest movie I've seen in the last 5 years is Terrifier 3. I didn't like it. I really didn't like it. There's no story to it. It's just gore. There's no jump scares or anything. It's just, you know. I didn't like the ending. I really didn't fuck with the ending at all. I know it's just a movie and all that stuff, but I don't know. You know, if you guys know, you guys know. Hey, Blaster, I have a question. Apex sale ends tomorrow night. However, is the one day pass forever? Trust me, bro. It's practically forever. Yeah. When the sale ends, there's gonna be another one right after, bro. I don't like watching scary movies. Shit brings bad vibes. It depends how you look at it. Now, the Terrifier 3 ending, I did not like it at all. Like, I really wanted to walk out of the movie. Not that it was gory, I just didn't like the. I don't know. I'm more of a religious person. Not super religious, but I also don't like it when it gets disrespected. And if you guys know, you guys know. I'm not trying to get too into that because I don't even like talking about it. But you guys, if you like I said, if you guys know, you guys know. I didn't like that ending. It was really bad. It's like evil. Yeah. I don't really like gory movies. I don't really see. But one movie that's good, like I said, Smile 2. Amazing movie. Amazing movie. And it's such a big plot twist, bro. This PA is scary. I agree with you, bro. I hope you guys aren't training anything. I really hope you guys aren't. But it's already 1 p.m. What? I keep saying I'm gonna end it and I wait another hour, bro. But yeah, guys. What's it called? What's another movie? Oh yeah, Smile 2, bro. That thing. I grew up in a haunted house for real. For real? I believe in spirits. I do believe in that. Um, David, did you ever watch When the Evil Lurks? Let me see. When Evil Lurks. It sounds like a what's it called? What's that movie called? What's that movie called? It's like the Nun movie. It's like based on a real story. What is it called? Conjuring. Yes, there it is. Yes, yes, Conjuring. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Let me see. When evil lurks. Let me see this movie. Oh yeah, I have not seen this movie. I'll probably, I'll just watch it like at night. Oh yeah, yeah, this looks really good. Okay, let me write it down. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this, guys. Another movie that's really good. Yo, Krabby hit for 200 points, for real? Bro, no, you didn't, bro. See, my losses are only the type of price action shows a lot in what I provide. If you want to leave off, be my guest. I know my worth and what I provide. But yeah, yeah, oh yeah, I already see why he's typing this. Yep, Krabby's getting a little bit annoyed because you know, he put out 2 losses in a day, and a lot of the chat is getting mad at him. Bro, like, it's like some people, man. You know what I mean? Like, people only show their true colors when you lose. You know what I mean? Like, I see where he's getting annoyed. He just said it in his alert channel. He's like, I know my worth and what I provide. Wait. Shows a lot in what I provide. If you want to leave off 1 or 2 losses, be my guest. Yeah, he's tired of it. He's tired of it. And honestly, I don't even blame him sometimes. I really do see where he's coming from. 100%. David, do you think you can survive and smile? No, hell no. Nah, bro. Once I see someone smile, bro, I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm gonna cry, bro. What can you do? What can you do? Like, you're gonna die. You know what I mean? Like, that's it. Thing is, the only thing you can really do is try to die when someone's not around, so you don't pass on the curse. You know? That's about it, bro. Like, that's it. You're cooked. You're done for. That's it. There's no going back, man. That sucks, man. It's not fair. Exactly, bro. It's definitely not fair for Krabby and for bro, because we put in so much work and effort. I mean, shit. You guys don't understand. We went on a 2-month winning streak. Technically, a 2-month winning streak. I took 3 losses in 3 days. So many people left. I'm like, bro, like, what did I do all that work for? You know? And I do see where he's coming from, because he put out an amazing trade yesterday, and he put out 2 small L's today, and people get mad at him in the chat and annoy him. You know, it gets really frustrating. Yeah, exactly. They just want everything handed to them. Exactly. It really shows how some people are when it comes to losses. Or just start killing everyone you see and slowly go insane. Bro, KP, bro, that movie is like insanity, bro. Like, it's so scary. The Smile movies, the 1 and 2, so it's such a good movie, but so scary. And I'm not one to get scared. I've always been one like, oh yeah, like it's just thug, you know, I'm gonna thug it out, you know. No, but this one, these two, they got me, man. Let me tell you, those are some good movies. It was bugged out, great jump scares, cool ass plot. Yep, the plot twist. Let me tell you, bro. The plot twist in that movie at the end, everything was all in her mind, bro. That shit got me going crazy, bro. When she killed her mom, bro, that was crazy, bro. Biggest plot twist I've ever seen, bro. When she got in the car with her friend. I'm not gonna try to spoil it or anything, but you know, once you get to that part, shh, you will know. You will know. Wait, which one, David? Oh yeah, I am. Let me stop talking. It's Small 2, bro. Small 2. But that movie's amazing, guys. Please watch it if you guys haven't already. If you guys like those type of movies, psh, best one. Best one. Best one. Try to watch the first one, because there's kind of a story in the end of each one that you need to understand. So the first one, definitely a must watch. And then Small 2, also a masterpiece. Yeah. But watch the first one. It's amazing. I wish I could rewatch it without like remembering anything. Yo, David, after the first 5 payouts, can you make however much you want? Yep. Yes, sir. You can request however much you want. Comes out and we'll watch. Bro, yeah, no, bro. Trust me. Hey, bro, so what happened? Bro, I don't even want to talk about it, bro. It was kind of disrespectful. At least to me. At least to me. Just a lot of what is it? Like mockery? Yeah, mockery. That's what it is. You've been live for ages, bro. I just been talking, bro. The market's been doing nothing. But yeah, just for Terrifier 3, I just did not like the ending. The movie was good in the beginning. It was whatever. It was kind of overhyped, in my opinion. But the ending, definitely did not like it. Was it a demonic ending? No, it was more of a mocking to Christians. Like, it was, no, not kind of. It was literally a mocking to Christians. Like, it was really, really bad. Like, if you guys watch the movie, you guys know. Are you religious? Yeah, I am. I am. Yeah, I wouldn't leave it at the start. Oh, bro, yeah. The beginning was definitely something, bro. Yeah, exactly. I didn't really fuck with that. I kind of wanted to walk out, but all my friends were there. I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm just not gonna look. I just looked down. I just didn't like that. I don't know. I'm not a person like that. No more trading for today, right? Nah, not for today, bro. It's not worth trading. Too choppy. Too choppy. That's why you don't watch evil movies in the first place, right? It's just evil. Well, there's like levels to it. I don't know if you guys agree with me with that, but there's levels to it. Like jump scares, that's fine. Maybe a little bit of killing here and there. That's fine. Like now when it comes to mocking, like literally spot on mocking, now that's a problem. Now that's like really evil. I don't want to spoil it because the ending is really gruesome, but it's really really like bro. Even the throne was there. You know what I mean? Like the throne of Christ. It was in the movie. It was really bad. I did not like it at all. Yeah. Now I'm not trying to talk about that because I'm not trying to. Yeah, but it was really bad. Like if you guys ever watch it, I know what it is. Yeah. If you guys know the ending, you guys know. Yeah. I'd rather not. Yeah. Never. Because there's levels to it. When you talk to us and people bring up conversations to talk about, it really helps us distract from forcing out and looking for trade. I mean, bro, that's why I've been on. I mean, even shit. I've been uh I've even been distracted with this price action. Guys. I said I was gonna call it a day at 11:30. It's 1:10. It's been 2 hours and I'm still on. And I have to go change my tires because I have a flat tire right now. Uh, the Pope has the throne and the for real? What movie? Terrifier 3. Do not watch it. It's really like yeah. I've had a slow day. It's been fun chilling and bullshitting. 100%, man. 100%. 100%. Scariest movies I watched, like Michael Myers. Oh yeah, Michael Myers. That's a good movie. I love that movie. Not too far, but just right to the point where you would like watch the whole series. Now, me, I never rewatched the whole series because I've never been too much of a movie guy. I don't really watch movies. I've never watched Star Wars, which you guys might be like, what, But no, never watched Star Wars. Never watched the movie. Um, Now when it comes to the Halloween series, I've watched the 20. What years were it? Let me see. Let me see. So you have. Okay, wait. The next Halloween movie is scheduled to release in 2024. Nah, it has to be old. It has to be old. But bro, no, the Michael Myers movies are so well made. You guys do not understand. Those movies is like they're not scary. They have jump scares, but they're not meant to be scary. They're meant to kind of have you like on on your chair like what is gonna happen. You know what I mean? Time to go. Hey bro, peace out, bro. I'll see you tomorrow in the live. Hopefully we get some trades tomorrow, bro. Hopefully we get some trades tomorrow. I like Gold Rush Alaska. I've been watching it for over 10 years. Gold Rush Alaska. Never heard of that one. Dexter's the best show ever. Dexter. I think I've heard of it. Oh yeah, definitely heard of it. Yep. Are we taking a 1K point trade tomorrow? Guys, I dream of a one. The most I've ever done is 600 points. Yeah, a lot of suspense. 100%. Well, watch it. Watch. Is it on Netflix? I think it is. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is, right? It is? Yep. I've seen it on Netflix. Yep. The Exorcist is the scariest movie because so much actually happens. Oh yeah. Matter of fact, they're coming out with a Conjuring movie this year or soon, right? Let me see. When is the next Conjuring coming out? It's coming out. Oh, 2025. That's why. Wow, that's really far. But hey, the further it is, the better it is, right, guys? And the thing that's scary about this, it's real. That's the thing. It's real shit. That's crazy, bro. Like, you know what I mean? We should just watch a movie right now. Nah, bro. I would if I could, bro. But bro, guys, I gotta change my tire. I'm on a flat right now. I need to go replace it. So I gotta go soon. I'm gonna give it to like what, like 120. I kind of want to stay on, but tire plug it. I did, but it slowly lost air. Slowly lost air. So now I'm sitting at 0 psi, like literally zero. David, when you hosting movie nights, I'm down. I'm down for it. I'm down for it. Just so I can get closer to you guys in the Discord. It's not all about trading sometimes, Like today, for example. Host UFC fights? Oh, yeah. But I ordered some wings, bro. Oof. I usually do that, but not in the Discord. It's a community, not a classroom. Exactly, bro. Exactly. It's not all about trade sometimes, you know? I'm getting you a car. Which one? Just sold my shit yesterday. Bro, when I sold my BMW, bro, like a tear dropped from my eye, bro. That car, lots of fun in that car. You know. So for my first car too, I have like 3K right now saved up. What car are you looking to get? 10K budget? Bro, if you're a man of style or a man of class, a Miata. Oh, geez. Oh, is that an Infinity? Yep. Let me see. G35. Yep, I figured. Let me guess. You're gonna get it from Facebook Marketplace. It's gonna be very, 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 very loud. G37X. I haven't seen that one. G37X. Let me see it. Oh, yeah, no, it's just, yeah. A lot of my friends have it. Not beat at all. Not loud. I'm gonna do my own shit to it. Bro, like, bro, every single one. I don't think, like, you have a better chance of spotting the most rarest car, um, what's a rare car? Like, a 4GT. Let's say, for example, a 4GT. You have a better chance of spotting a 4GT rather than a stock G37 or G35. At least in Miami. At least in Miami. Bro. I don't know. I was thinking about getting a Miata. Like, just for the fun of it. A manual one. I mean, you can really push some power with those cars. Taking the auction route per usual on my next car. An ATS. Isn't that a Cadillac? ATS, right? Cadillac, right? I could be wrong. ATS V. Yep, it is. But that car is... Bro, no. Look, instead of getting a Hellcat Charger, why don't you get the Hellcat Charger engine and move it onto that car? Onto the ATS. It's a 2-in-1, bro. You know what I mean? It's literally a 2-in-1. That's a lot of money, but hey, you're in the auction route, so is it really all that much? You can just repair it, you know, get a beat up one, repair it, and boom. Or you can get a Striker Hellcat and just get the engine. It's because ATS VGM I prefer LS. Okay, now you're talking about vocabulary that I don't know now, right? You're getting into LS. What is LS? GM. Obviously, I know what GM is, because I have one. But what is LS? Oh, Los Santos. Well, yeah, that's what I figured. Oh, it's an engine series. Oh, okay, got it. Bro, you guys know if I was let me see, best motors ever, and what you an LS motor, or is it a GM motor? That's the best one. I don't know. I'm assuming it's an LS. But guys, bro, if I was a millionaire, like I don't care about millions, bro. There's a new Brabus. You guys know about Brabus, right? I'm sure you guys know about Brabus if you guys know about Mansory. Bro, the Brabus Big Boy. That's what it's called. Brabus Big Boy. Bro, that thing is... I don't like trucks. I don't like any of that. But bro, those things... The Brabus Big Boy. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. Let me see. Do you think profits will be around forever? Honestly, with the amount of money they profit off of us, yes. There's no reason why they will ever quit. But that is beautiful, bro. Is that your garage? I wouldn't be surprised, bro. How are you still live with this PA? Bro, I haven't even been looking at the charts, bro. I've been looking at the chat and just talking. But guys, peep this. The Brabus Big Boy. If I was a millionaire, or even a billionaire, this right here is so beautiful. It's literally a house on wheels, guys. Look at this. It's a black truck, Brabus, but look at the inside. It's like a mansion inside. TRG, no. TGR has a Brabus, not a Big Boy. It's a Big Boy. That's what it's called. I don't like saying the name. The Terabyte from GTA, bro. Literally, yeah. It's literally the Terabyte. Yeah. You put your oppressor in the back. You feel me? All that stuff. But no, real stuff, guys. Look at the bathroom. It has This bathroom looks better than my bathroom. It's a truck. Look at the bed, bro. I'm sleeping on a twin bed, and a truck has this. It's beautiful. Like, guys, if I ever didn't want to live in a house and I wanted to travel the world, this would be my house. Now, the problem with this is it's that it's $1 million. It's $1,200,000. But bro, I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love this. Expensive, yeah, I guess. Expensive mortal, yeah. That truck is better than my house. Hey, bro, me too. Me too. That shit has marble floors, marble bathroom, massaging beds. Like, look at this beauty. Okay, can I be honest with you, bro? I actually tried to buy an Infinity when I crashed or when my Honda got crashed into, not when I crashed it. I tried to buy an Infinity. My mom was like, "Nah, that it's a shit box." And then my dad offered to buy his BMW. I'm like, you know what? Hell yeah, bro. What? I'll buy it. And that's how I got my BMW. In the first place, I like being loud. I like being really loud. So Infinities are my type of thing. Any trades yet? Nope, bro. Not at all. Not at all. You can get a really high-end RV for like 250K. The thing is, I'm not an RV guy. I'll probably just do like a Maybach. Oh, Maybach. What's it called? Wait, Maybach Sprinter, right? Is that a Sprinter? Those. If I ever guys, if this community ever grew to like a profession, like a very very professional company, this is the first thing I'm buying. A Sprinter. This Maybach Sprinter, bro. Like imagine all your homies sitting in this, bro. Look at this. That's just hard. Look at it, bro, guys. Look at this. It's like a private jet in a car. Now this, oh my, bro, guys. If guys, mark my word. If this community ever turns into something huge, like TGR, like maybe like a prop firm, or I don't know, like a I don't know, something huge, something bigger than what we have now. This is the first thing I'm buying. A Sprinter, bro. I just imagine live trading in the back of this, bro. Bro, look, there's the TV and everything. Like, what? You got drinks, you got food, you got like it's like a limo, a TV in the back, live trading. You know what I mean? You got your homies in here with the seats, bro. It's like, and it's cheap. Well, for what you get, it was not cheap, but it's cheap. You know, these cost like 100K, right? Oh, oops. Let me see price. 200K. No, used is under 100K. Look. Oh no, no, this is not a Sprinter. But I would definitely go on. I love these. I love these. Beautiful car. David, have you played BO6? A little bit, like one round from my brother's PS5. Broken foot, bro. Is that loud? Guys, I'm not gonna, guys, I have to go. I really, it's 120. It's 120. Guys, I have to go change my tire. Alright? So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a life because, guys, I can't no more. I can't no more. We've been on here for too long. Almost 4 hours. Or 3 hours. 4 hours. Whatever it is. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff done. Please don't trade this market. Obviously, you guys can see it. We've been on here for a while, for 4 hours. What's wrong with my tire? Bro, I got a flat tire, bro. But yeah, guys, tomorrow we definitely have a good amount of levels to work with. So, already, bro, yes. I got a nail in the tire and it just ripped off. But yeah, guys, I'm going to call it. Alright, guys, tomorrow we should have a trade in our hands because of the drawn liquidity that we have to work with now. But for now, please don't trade this, guys. Please, you know. I need 2 more hours, bro. Real shit, guys, don't trade this. Like for today, just call it. Close your laptop, go to the gym, or go do whatever you guys can. Just don't trade. Just don't trade. All right. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. Peace. And YouTube, guys, I hope you guys had a good chat. I know there's not too much of you guys in here. I hope I didn't bore you guys too much. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a live trading for today, guys. All right. If you guys want to go ahead and join the premium, obviously click the first link in the description. Make sure you guys subscribe for some more live trading, and make sure you guys like to see if you guys actually enjoy the stream. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. 9:45. All right, guys.